I am here vibing with one of the most iconic figures in all of sound system culture. A man who has amassed one of the deepest and most diverse dub catalogue anywhere on the planet. His parents named him Anthony Rookwood, but we know him as
Tony Screw, John Snow, Goldfinger.
Father Tony Screw.
Yes, man, enough honor.
The man who kill enough people.
Always, no, with music.
With music, father. And music come with our words. How you doing, great man?
Boy, I give thanks, in life, You know, it got through the terms and still is here. Can really sit in at this moment.
Yeah, man.
It's a pleasure,
It's a joy to sit down with a man who would have amassed so much history in the music and a man with so much history.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Talk to us though, Father Tony. Early life, place of birth.
Yeah, man. Kingston 6, Tavern Avenue, Papi,
Tavern.
Yes, Tavern, you know what I mean? Go school, originally go school in the area a little bit. And then leave from this and go Providence.
Providence. So the school that you went to in Tavern, what's the name of that school?
Well, Clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
Yes,
basic school.
Yes, man.
And then you went to Providence. All age or primary?
Primary.
Primary.
Yeah, man. And then from this, so, we end up a Papi in senior.
Oh, Papi in here. Papi, That's what they be Papi in high school now.
Yes, man. And then we do a thing and father decided, so well then boy, I'm gonna really take away from Jamaica.
All right, before we reach one other part though.
Yes.
How many brothers and sisters?
Yeah. All right. 19.
Woo.
19. Actually, my mother have 10 and my father have 9. So 17 of us is fleshing right now. But two is passed.
Okay. My condolences.
My older sister passed on my father's side. And one of my younger brother on my mother's side passed.
Okay. And mommy and daddy passed as well?
Yes, my father recently passed last year, September, at 95 years old.
He did well, man.
Yeah, man.
My condolences, man.
Thank you. My mother go young, 41 years old.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, but what was it like, though, growing up back then in Tavern, financially speaking, though?
Well, it was always rough, but the family just get along.
The world know Father Tony Screw as the iconic owner selector of DOWNBEAT the Ruler.
Yeah.
But how and when do you start feel a musical vibration there?
Why it coming like it born in me, for love sound system because sound system was really like up the street from me.
Any name sound?
Yes, man. Whole heap of name sound, man. We can't tell you some name sound when I grew up come here. Like every sound that I would say, whether from in Kingston or town, then coming by here to play.
There. Okay.
You know what I mean? Sound name Lad Cruz, Little Wanda. You know what I mean? And growing up, come hear them. And even if you don't end up going to the dance, in my yard, you're going to hear them.
Yeah, the sound and play.
Back in the days, man, dance start 8 o'clock. And them climb a coconut tree and put up the steel one. Yeah, so anyway, you're there. A lot of times we go and dance, it's the steel one we follow when the breeze blow it. Like one night we go listen to Toby's Student Union, 4 hours spar. And the band them say, when the breeze blow the hand, man say over there so. And the next man said this son, we follow the breeze to the dance.
Yeah.
So it was all around, So sometimes you sleep. Or you go to the dance, but you still hear the music. And them time, then the people don't call a police version, because I must have to say, a lot of kids born during the period of those time. The kind of music we used to play in those times. Yes, man. Yes, man, you know what I mean? And things like that. Some years, some great sound. And coming up in the late, so we grew up and catch some of the 60s coming up then. It's like, we get to understand some of the scam music. And that bring me in intention to see, used to all dance, you know what I mean? And even when a man bring all a man could have danced him wicked at me, you them a cheer me and see me, you know what I mean?
Right.
Unity, Yeah, man.
I think you were on a sound or you started a sound called T-Tone.
Yes, I did have a little sound in Jamaica named T-Tone. It never last too long because the time when I started, I would say, really going in 68, going 69.
Okay.
The father filed for us, and I leave 1970.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
man.
how big did the sound get though? Like, are you playing out at any events, or it's just yard there?
No, man, we used to go out and play, you know, and draw a little 200 people or
Okay.
whatever it is and start really good, you know what I mean, until when a man named Kaicho, where them call him, a mason, huh?
Okay,
Like
mason,
up here
right.
would say contractor then, right? And him build a big sound, him, I ride the president.
Oh.
And he wanted me to play the sound.
Okay.
But through my father, keep a right and I say, I'm here some home be myself and Ray. And some of the show the man there, I'm telling him, say the sound too big for me. Because when I leave and go foreign, I never really tell nobody too tough.
Okay.
You know, because say the sound too big for me, you know.
So, may I ask you a question though, because you say your father did a right, so you did I get trouble for you?
Not really. No, I mean, put it this way, could I defend your own?
Okay, okay.
But you know, we just see us. One of them person when nobody not trouble too tough, you know?
And what was tavern / Papine like back then in terms of, you know, being peaceful or violent?
No, man, I tell you, brethren, Papine was always, would I say, peaceful. You know,
Okay.
things happen like everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
But, I mean, it's like back in the days, I was just telling somebody there last week that I remember when we used to wake up, you know, like Christmas, to take the bus to come to town. Those times, you could have walked anyway. You know, anywhere, nobody not trouble you know? And unfortunately, that don't happen so much again.
Yes.
You know?
So T-Tone was the only song you played before leaving Jamaica?
Yes.
Yeah, and back then though, which were the sounds where you did a ear back then were really and say, you know, I'm going to build my sound?
All right, I'm going to tell you something as you say that. There was a man that I meet named Ellis. I have a brother named Alton Ellis also.
You mean the real Alton Ellis?
Him have a brother named Alton Ellis. Not the real Alton Ellis, but him have a brother named Alton Ellis.
Okay.
You understand? And him have a son named +4.
+4.
His wife was a Seventh-day Adventist, right? So him used to string up for him son and play. And when him string it up and play, you can't go in the yard. Or if you don't have on a shirt. You cannot go in the yard. You have to just stay outside. And me go on till me reach gate, till me go through, till me reach on the veranda. And he just said one then one night now, he have a dance like a youth named Eddie. I don't know if he's still alive or not. Eddie rate me. You know them kind of man there where them pants always there, them waist neat.
Yeah, right.
And him plan a dance keep. But Tippertone was coming up right up in the year of a play. And, you know, them time them used to have, like I say, we come here about Spanglers, Vikings, Pitching, Zulu.
All I crew them.
All of the crew them, you know. And, you know what, a lot of people don't know, you hear them talking about anthems now. In those times, you have certain anthems they make for those, like, for that gang, their gang leader.
Right.
That mean when certain song play, you know it go. You know what I mean? And things like that. So, he have a dance tonight and Eddie said to him, say, you Stoney, man. You Stoney. And he must say, Tony, and he must say, yeah, man, you Stoney. So they take few of my record them now.
Oh, you start collect already?
We are talking about, man, because when we hear the tune them, you know, because, you know, your youth, we save lunch money. You know? And I remember, you know, when we used to save lunch money and buy two things, Toto and music, you know. And at one time, Jimmy Cliff's song was one of my favorite. A tune named Lion, Kings of name, right? And the other one named One Eye Jack, right? And we used to punch them tune in a jukebox, save money and punch them tune there. That ability does come in a me and then we start hear certain sound because you know, and maybe a lot of people don't know, so they use the terms and say dancehall. We have to give dancehall credit from where it's coming from. Because if you really want to hear the real tune, you have to go to dancehall and hear the selector say brand new. One night I hear a sound play a tune and say, this one called 1 minute to 0. You know what I mean? And people just start load up in the dance and, you know what I mean? So, come and gain them experience. and watch Uri many times. When we love about Uri, we love the melody about him. Because Uri, most DJ would hold the mic very close to their mouth. Uri would hold it more down on and things like that. And one night I witnessed it. I play a man yard named Kaicho. With enough dance used to keep. Right? And think King Thomas, And the first time I hear this song with the melody and stem, I have a little nut tree. And Thomas just build a thing for him sound, or like him does sound different, like an echo.
Right.
And Uri say, great! And when him say great, I go out, the echo does go out at greater, and little after that, he spear bike, you see, and police. That time the Buster Manti was the Prime Minister, and him live up Irish Town area.
Okay.
And them say the nights are disturbed, the Prime Minister. Serious thing. Because I remember, them climb the coconut tree, them and put any man originally knows that true. And things like that. And because when people come and dance one time, outside used to all crowded. Before them going to dance, whether the main DJ come touch the mic or one song.
All for free.
No, well, all for free is so funny. What I learned about this all for free thing, dance start 8 o'clock, and let's say if the sound comes 6 o'clock and string up, ready to go, or 5 o'clock, whatever they play from that time till 8 o'clock when them say dance start is free.
Right.
Everybody have to come out of the lawn.
Clear the lawn.
And when you get for free, you not get it again for the night. Because you get the free thing already. So I learned that very much.
Pay a musical rate, right?
Yes, but pay a musical rate and come through the gate. And you have to come out and them search out. Sometimes them leave 1 and 2 man inside the way,
Right,
You don't want them where, they might buy out the bar. And,
thing was so nice at them time.
Oh my God, man.
But what you right now, because you said Dad filed for you and you migrated in 1970.
Yes.
Right, and when you migrated, you went to New York?
Yes, straight to New York, yeah. Bronx.
Where, Bronx?
Bronx, yeah.
How old were you at the time?
When I leave New York, I was 19. When I leave
when
Jamaica.
You were 19?
19 when I leave Jamaica.
Okay.
So, born in Jamaica and spend more time in foreign.
Yes. Because I think this year would make it like probably the 54th, 55th year of Downbeat.
That Downbeat. Definitely. Yes.
But we still talk about all of that part. So when you reached New York, what was it like adjusting and adapting to the new environment though?
Well, first of all, I have a youth named General. One of my key brethren used to do body work. And me leave most of my record with him when I was leaving. Because, most people in those times when them coming to foreign, them give away things like we are coming to paradise, and things like that. So anyway, when I come up here now, I never have no intention about where you're going, or if I'm going to get involved with music, or anything like that. So what really brings me to that now is that where I was living in the Bronx, Morristown, you have a record shop named Andy's. And I was living between 169 and 178th Street, in the Bronx. I used to go to Tough High School.
Okay.
There, right? And when I finally, it took me about 6 months. Because
so you actually did some schooling when you dropped in New York? You said Tough High School?
Yeah, man. I did some schooling in New York.
Okay, cool.
Man, and things like that. And, and from this, my father was determined because me learn tailoring trade in Jamaica.
Oh.
Yeah, because my father, he'd have a friend, and my father was a kind of politician, but him determined, very serious man, and he wanted we feel, but, like I said, I never really lived with him, He's one of those men, but it was highly respect, when him talk, not dog bark, and things like that,
Man.
One day I go to pass in the place and hear the record shop, and from that day, we start with the record shop and start buy back some record. No, one, you just buy what you can afford, and things like that. And this band from Jamaica, I'm telling him Ellis +4. He used to play he had 45 too. But I don't know what kind of work he used to do. Some kind of, I don't know, but him work for many. Him just get rhythm.
Oh, okay.
He rhythm pan reel-to-reel tape. And I remember him used to have a Sony. The model is 366. I remember with a 4-track on it, you know.
Yeah.
And it's like when you put on a 3600 tape and you flip up one, you get an next track. When you flip it down, you get an next track. So, I'm respecting so much because when I play him dance tonight, the dance was roadblock. And one of the main reasons for that, me and my crowd, and people love him so, but him do him don't play out.
Right.
And Tippertone up on the hill now, but Tippertone now, the man them fire with a gunshot. And
That's same in Bronx there.
yes.
Okay.
No. I'm telling you about Jamaica.
Okay.
You understand? And he said to me, so well then, you know, so after the dance mash up now, because at that time the sound name Tippertone, them anthem was No Man's an Island to Dennis Brown. You know, so when you play that, you know, them time the S90 bike rain.
Right.
You know, and you know, the dust and rake up and so we experience all them things. So tonight when we do our dance, with the crowd that we have already, people just start leave the dance, you know, and come by we, you know. Me no charge him, man, you know, because as music me want, me no charge him. So anyway, him have a scooter bike. So the Sunday now, him come check me up on my yard. And me and him sit down and talk. Let him sit down, stand up at the gate and talk for about 4 hours, you know. So my mother, I say, we have silence to talk about so much. Because him want to give me £10. You know them time there. And me no want no £10. Because I tell him, say, me not charge you, and it's too much. And music me want. So we did try to make a, you know, and thing until me end up take £5 from him. Because music me want, which did kind of work out a little bit for me. But he told me when I came to New York now, he said to me that, as a matter of fact, let me finish tell you this. He did I had a send-off party, you know, because you know, one time, usually some people, when them leave in Jamaica, them have what them call a send-off
party. Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And the send-off was like a big dance.
Okay.
That yard big, you know, ram, you know. And him leave his sound there for months, because my brother was telling me that him leave, you know, because we had the room. So him leave his sound at the yard. Actually, this man end up died in 1976 anyway.
Okay.
So him said to me, say, Tony, the only reason the young thing you have to do to get some tune from me, you have to buy a reel-to-reel tape. And why me hunt don't go buy a same Sony like what him have. And buy a Sony tape and his history after that. And any tune I want from him 45, him said it come give me. The thing about it now, him died so early because that sound probably that turn in a downbeat in New York.
Okay.
But it never really happened because when me come here, them, you know, and them thing there, you know, and thing like that. Because me start know me start that up here, and we didn't get to that. Still,
Right.
You know, but those lead meet up here now and start to really get the tune them now. So one day, you know, some youth named Sherlock and Farai them, you know, on this record shop. And me go in there and some start meet youth and youth now. So they want to talk about tunes. So I'll tell you list of a tune name, Ooey Baby. So me I tell him, say, a next tune up on the rhythm. And every man I say, no, and you know, and so man I say a lie and everything there. But tune me like prove things down. We just run it out on the yard, tune me live so far and go for the tune and show them. And from that, them set up master. You understand? And you know, it's a guy.
I just say Ooey Baby though. Sorry for cut you.
Yeah.
Errol Dunkley have an Ooey Baby.
Yes, but that Ooey Baby where Errol Dunkley have it actually come off
Alton Ellis one. Okay.
Okay. Change up the word a little bit with Alton tune, you know.
Yeah, but we just clicking on the head still.
It's true.
So the man them realize you know music, you know.
Yes, man.
Go and we get the song when they said no go so.
Yes, but I'm kind of like prove things to people and show them say me don't want to lie about it.
Right.
So from that the ratings start come up and the ratings are go on and it just go on and me decide say no, me start build a little sound. After me start build a little sound, me decide say well then everywhere me play is a roadblock. You know? Everywhere me play is a roadblock. Tell the truth. Me start get popular.
So you did name the song yet?
No. Officially we are thinking about it and we have a youth named Gitmo now. We meet up with Gitmo. And every youth where we have amongst the sound, we kind of give them a little name, like, you know. So we get what we call him the dub wiser. Kind of we love wicked engineer, you know, and things like that. And we decided, so well, then one day, at one time, we named Downbeat Electoral, you know.
Okay.
You know, Downbeat Scorcher. And, but my intent for so then why me don't really want to own the sound fully until I meet Mr. Dad Cox soon. You know, I want him to endorse the thing properly.
Because he was using the name Downbeat for his sounds at the time.
Him sounded name Coxon, Sir Coxon Downbeat.
Right.
And sometimes him do say Sir Coxon Roundbeat.
Okay.
You understand? But I don't think it would interfere with the corporation thing,
Right.
because the international, that is in Jamaica and foreign. Because I mean, I used to use Downbeat in Jamaica.
Okay.
You understand?
You
You
understand.
the scene? You understand? And thing, but we just insist because you're in all the studio them with music, as you know, so much good song making in Jamaica in those times. But me always tell the man, say, studio wanna go outlast the world.
Oh, you prefer that sound?
Yeah, with the one drop sound we have. You know, we love Church Royal and certain things, but Church Royal never really make drum and bass. Church Royal tune them sweet and you can hear the organ flowing and thing. So, we end up right. You know, so it's a man named Bradstone. Bradstone, our Chinaman used to have, I think, one of the best record shop in America. Well stocked, brethren. And Brad's rate me. So that's what we get for meet all the artists, because some of the artists, them, all the man them from Brooklyn, them time they every little man, all some of the little man we also I try a thing. Them time with a song make a foreign you can know.
Versus
You know, like without little band of rehearse and it no mixing and you can know. When you're in front of it does sound empty. You know?
You know, have a
but
sauce.
but the man them say when them leave and take them, whether the White Stone Bridge or any kind of bridge them take for cover Bronx. Brats now make them go down Bronx. You know, kind of say enough man like the consignment thing.
Right.
But,
Okay.
But Brats a man we are go peel you off, you know? And them things. So everybody when them get them tune, them come at Brats first with it. And then you have man used to export tune now from Jamaica. And Gussie Clark is big into that. Because Gussie Clark used to export for a few man, but some of the man them get the better tune them. You know, so Brads get theme tune them. And they have Andy's now two brother, you know, Hector. You know, them spend like 6 months each and take them break. And
Okay. Oh.
so those time, if you go 5 record shop, I almost predict that you can get 5 different set of selection.
Okay.
Yes, but I tell you, cause you know what I mean, you know, and them time, and that is even before Randy's actually come in New York.
Okay.
You know, cause you know, Randy's was original Randy's that is VP now.
Yeah, man, from downtown.
Right, and enough people they know where the VP come from.
I know the story, Pat and...
Okay.
Yeah, man, I know the
Yeah, you know, you study history, man.
Yeah,
You know,
learn a little bit, man.
you know the thing, man. You know.
Pat and Vincent? Where the V come from?
Vincent, you're right.
Yeah,
Yes.
Pat and Vincent.
But you know, so this Pat is also have a label for herself named Pat.
I think me hear that one
Yeah,
every
some
time.
wicked Scatchune.
Okay,
she
okay,
make, you know, That
okay.
woman, she don't look like she get no water to her. You know, God bless her.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. But we talk to her one of them days.
Yes, man, you know, yes, you
Yeah,
know.
so you're there on the ground, you know, and I get the thing together. You start collect the music now and I build a little sound.
Yes.
But you don't meet Father Cox yet.
No, officially yet, you know. So, well, anyway, one time now, we're working downtown now, and we are working on, we do I eat something from them time because me grew up getting so much Rasta people, so me have the Rasta spirit in me, you know. So, remember one day we used to meet up in the park, 14th Street Park, and, you know, lunch hour. Most of the man them get out for lunch and thing. And, so I bridge the mind, we always attack. But me not tell no man say, my name Downbeat, so I bridge the mind one of my best friend, Cisco. So we did it one day and we attack and I brother named Ivan pass and say, "What, Downbeat?" And him just jump up and say, "Are you named Downbeat?" And him say, "I can't never tell my man," and you know. And from that history, me and him turn
Okay.
big friend and whatsoever it is, you know. So it's a full thing where the history of Downbeat sound come in musically, and the sound never build like one truckload. It built from small, coming up, you know. Get me by to...
Box by box.
Yeah, man. Get me by to certain Vega speaker, double 12, we end up playing mid-range at one time.
Okay.
And them speaker at one time was playing bass.
Yes, right.
You
know the thing go, man.
Until you know the thing go, you know. So the praising and those things though, and you know, going out and everybody coming in a record shop and see me. It's like Jawise, my friend Jawise. When you see Jawise, I always have a record on it, man.
Okay. Yeah.
And somebody would all say, don't meet you have a party tomorrow night, you know, or whatsoever it is, you know. And if me not do nothing, they tell me not no car or nothing. Me will take a taxi, depends on the vibes, and go over there. And when we go to that party, don't care who I play. When me, them time me not no dub play it. Them time when me go up my box, anything me play, it will make a difference. And the name just start, you know, great, and it just start bill and just bill. Till we start cut some dub now and I start vice some of you. Because I vice long time, you know. But some of the youth don't have vice, they don't really have no name.
Right.
You know, like the regular youth, them round, you know, and things like that. Until one day I'm going to Brad's record shop now. I'm going to Brad's record shop now. I said, Dad, what happened, you know? And Brad said to him, say, see the youth tell me, I tell you about a more tune on you. and right away, me just dip on him case and tell him, say, boy, right now, I like a son of one call it downbeat, and but why endorse it. That time I have all a marker pen with me, you know. And he must say, yeah, man, you have it, man. You know, Downbeat International. And I said, no, I said, Dad, I want something, man. If I for write something, I'm going to make go. So I'm right, Downbeat International, I'm going to make go. And him say, to me say, well, give me a call and keep in touch with me and Ray. Well, the worst thing he ever said.
Are the best thing.
Yeah, because when him say that, I don't stop nagging.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But guess what? Now I'm lucky. 3 weeks after I'm going to Jamaica, I'm saying a dub plate come give me. With 6 rhythm. Audio sound, the dub plate mark. 3 on one side like an album.
Right.
And 3 on the other side. And from there, so, him have a record shop in National Avenue in Brooklyn. And every time him send up 45 now from up there, so him always send up 1 or 2 dub plate tonight. The shop man for me.
Oh, okay.
And I say, so him decide now to buy a place in Brooklyn. Studio one in Brooklyn.
Okay.
And all the people there say, oh, Mr. Dad go buy a place over there, so it's a kind of one of them Puerto Rican rough area they like. But you can't buy houses so no right the way it costs. You know, I tell you. So him buy the house and I get 4 man, including myself, you know, young, fit and strong. Can't buy out a studio things them now. You know? So I was a part of it to help lift the first dub machine. We're going at the studio and move the studio equipment them with 5 hours totally. And but I'm sure my skill in it never happened right away, you know, because my dad was a man, but we prove and shows here really interested. And it's just so the thing just start going. We just start him just them time them couldn't get a tune on a cassette tape. But he would have cut a dub and give me. You understand? But me never care. Because, so when me get the tune, before me go out and play it, me go record it. And that's how enough sound never do today.
But we soon pick up about that though.
Yeah.
So when you were starting to, so when you got to New York and you started to build Downbeat, yeah? Which were some of the sounds that were big in New York at the time?
All right. When I came to New York, I think Bulwaukee was actually on him way out a little bit. Yes, Bulwaukee was on him out. And I come here, I saw him Upsetter. Upsetter. And I come also here, I think, El Rackers.
African Love.
African Love. Well, you know what you think.
Look a bit, just look a bit. Yeah, man. So Bulwaukee was on his way out. Upsetter, African Love.
Yeah.
Papa Moke was around at the time too?
You know something? Not Exactly, but little bit after. But Papa Moke was actually New Jersey, you know.
Oh, you're right. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Papa Moke was kind of emerging at the time as well.
Yes.
So out of the sounds we call at the time, which was the biggest sound at the time?
Boy. Okay, you have a sound in a Brooklyn named Scatterlight too.
Scatterlight. Okay.
Dangerous sound.
Dangerous sound.
Dangerous sound.
I first hear about them still.
Yes,
maybe
Scatterlight.
Not, you know, maybe Danny Dread mentioned them.
He play most of the studio one.
Oh.
He also have a sound in the Bronx where come from my knowledge of me, Burning Spear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Burning Spear was, and me at the back team for Burning Spear.
Okay.
You know, silently me at the back team for Burning Spear. And yet also have a tipper tone in New York too.
I think Louis Rankin was on tipper tone before he come over to Downbeat.
No, but listen to this now. In New York, as far as what I know, you have 3 tipper tone actually.
Oh.
So the tipper tone that Lou Rankin used to DJ and he come from Hartford, Connecticut.
So it wasn't one of the New York?
No.
Oh.
The tipper tone was in the Bronx, a youth named Mikey Tipper Tone, I call him.
Oh.
And
a history class, yeah.
yes, and what happened now with Mikey is just because of what really happened. Because maybe I wouldn't have a sound or build a sound because I was one really stay back.
Okay.
And we had just game tune and things like that.
Oh, you were supplying him with songs?
Yes, because Mikey, bad selector, the only problem with him as a Rasta youth, every tune he play music bragga and slow it up.
Oh, okay.
You know, and slow up the turntable, but him it bad, you know, and things like that. And, you know, after a while, it started going, enough, you know, ranks and thing. And
3 tipper tone. I never know that.
Yes, one was in Hartford.
Right.
And one was in Bridgeport, Connecticut. And Mikey Tipper was in, you know, the Bronx.
And before me get to ask you this, so the sound started out as Downbeat International.
Yeah.
But then it became Downbeat the Ruler.
Right.
What led to that change in name?
Okay. Gitmo was a printer.
Okay.
And when we launched the sound out and things like that, I said to Gitmo, say, here we do. Christmas I come, just make a pretty flyers. Because them time no picture nothing now, you know, not going on flyers.
Oh.
So we said, make a pretty flyers to Gitmo, like, you know, put up some jingle bells and some champagne, and he made very good at that. And the flyers go out there. And from the flyers go out there, believe you me, after a while, every sound starts international.
Oh.
So when the sound them starts international, they say, yeah, everybody be international. So guess what? We're international, but we are the ruler.
Downbeat the Ruler.
So they say, don't be the ruler.
Make a lot of
you know
sense.
what I mean?
Make a lot of sense.
And things like that, you know?
Yeah. So I know you started building the sound about 71, but officially I think the sound really was launched about 72.
The sound built 71, but it bust launch. Actually, it get big. That's where the name, it get big 72.
72.
Less than 1 year.
Okay. So now you're in the streets and you was a music collector of sorts and you kind of established the link now with one of the greatest studios in the history of music, Studio One, right? With Father Coxon.
But yes, because you see what really happened, I know a youth where wicked soul collector. And this man here targeting a history and I say, me make him start collect soul.
Oh, yeah?
Because I used to play some soul too, you know.
Yeah.
It's when I learn out some tune and a man leave them in a taxi back. And you know, lose about 400 or 500 record and maybe not so much. But in that, you know. And some of them tune there. And me just say, boy, me number about to start prolong with it.
Right.
For go with it and things like that. But the man say, him come and dance one night. And he hear me I play a tune him. You want me back. That familiar to you?
Maybe.
Maybe. Well, You Want Me Back is the original version of You Don't Care For Me with the Techniques. But it was right. That tune was actually written by Curtis Mayfield's Impressions tune.
Okay.
You don't care for me at all.
You know the tune, man.
You know the tune, right? And the man, so when you hear me I play that tune there, that bring him to start collect soul tune. And say me.
Oh.
And things like that. But you know, them time there, I couldn't talk to nobody about soul tune, but I could have go anyway. Like Scare. You have some man out there let me look like joke with Scare.
Oh, okay.
Even though I have a nice collection of Scare, you know, but you have some man where they'll just play. Yes, deep. Yeah. But if you come to studio one, them have to be very, very careful.
Yeah, I know that.
Because I can play enough unreleased songs.
Right. But when you come on the studio one, you're a king.
You know, and things like that. So, the thing about it that why that happened to, you know, when I have a clash, Mr. Dad don't know if it's period or play it or not.
Okay.
So when them have a clash, they just give me some tune. So some of them tune them might give me tune and in the release. And now some of them not come around. I was the first man who play, because you know, Jacob Miller recorded him first song at studio,
right.
As you know. You know what the first song recorded here?
Not sure.
Well, a lot of people that think says love is a message.
It's not?
No. It's My Girl That Left Me, which is a Nanny Goat rhythm.
Okay.
And you know, Larry Marshall come to the studio and start singing with him call like a countryman, you know, tune. So Nanny Goat and everybody feel the temper. So them all about the Jacob Miller, they go to Larry Marshall. And I have the Jacob Miller playing for over 30 years before it actually come out. Yeah. Yeah, man.
But watch this though. Before, I think you played a song, but I don't know when. You played a song in Washington called Mellotone.
Oh my God, man. Where you get this history from?
Watch this though. Was it early in your New York or later down?
It's later down. It's in the 80s.
80s, okay.
Yeah, it's in the 80s because what really happened, John Steele and Junior Steele, you know, we went up there and the year that happened now, 85 to be exact. King Jammy's. Yeah, King Jammy's have a wicked dance. We'll get to that too.
Yeah,
but
I think Jammy's talked about that before.
We have a wicked dance 1985.
It's the hardest dance that ever.
Right, wicked is a wicked dance. And then Jammy's play African Love a couple of weeks after.
Okay.
And then Jammy's play an amplifier for me, you know. You made me remember when he was in Canada. You know, he be like a tube amplifier for me.
Okay.
That was like my first start, really. Yeah, man.
Oh, really?
I'm going to tell you something else too while we're talking the history.
Yeah.
Do you know that Jammy's is one of the longest playing sound in Jamaica?
Yeah, because Jammy started out as
King Jammy's.
Prince Jammy's. But even before Prince Jammy's, there was... Why this now click? I mean, know this, you know.
But I probably
there was a sound before, man.
I don't remember, but I know I think I hear that like a history, but I don't want to talk it because I'm not so confirmed about it.
Yeah. There was a sound before, man. A confirmed thing, man. I just don't remember what name at all, but we know there was a sound before.
Yeah, but I really know Jammy's when Lizzie was selected.
Okay.
Lizzie, as far as I know, Lizzie was the first selector.
Pan Jammy's?
Yeah, because I witnessed a policeman box him down one night. Boy, I tell you, boy, Jamaica. Yeah, I tell you.
Bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jammy's come in the era to play one night. I never forgot that night, and they curfew the dance. And Lizzie played jump song.
Jumps, okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
I know I read it, man.
And policeman said, turn off the music. And the man never turn off the music right now. I can't tell him. The man never backs off the man. He didn't know, man.
Yeah?
Oh, I tell you, man. And Lizzie, you don't hear many parts. This was a good little DJ.
Okay.
He used to DJ Dennis Al Capone.
Oh, Father Al Capone.
Yeah, man, the
Treasure
Treasure Island.
history there in our future when we talk to Father Al Castillo.
Him do a tune named Love's a Treasure with Freddie McKay.
Okay. Oh.
You remember that tune there?
No, you know. Me have to play it a year.
Sometime I happy, sometime I blue. Shooby dooby dooby and how do you do?
Baby hear it before still, but
you don't know
you not stick.
All right, so if I cut that short and tell you that I was a DJ, right? You don't know what I want, right?
Well, I think I was a DJ. I think you played and DJed and Downbeat for about 13 years.
Why you history long? You history long. Yes, man, it's true.
But, cause when I did the research, I come because I said I never know Father Tony a DJ.
Yes, man, me DJ.
I'm saying my notes, me just like get around to it.
Yeah, man, play my rhythm, them turn them over flip side and DJ.
DJ on the version.
On the version, same way. When I actually stop actually doing that, is when we decide to bring Brigadier to foreign for DJ Downbeat Sound Cam and Brigadier is up front neighborhood.
A tavern man.
Tavern man, him live at number 5 and my address is number 4.
Okay.
We know every sister and brother in our family. We just run out of our yard and run in his yard, you know. So, you know, it's a fully history. So Brigadier and we is just key. He do my first official
dub plate.
Official dub plate.
Yeah, we get around to that. I know a few little things about the DJ part of this. So you only DJ'd on Downbeat? Or you DJ'd on...
No, man.
So you DJ from T-Tone days?
No, yes, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, only that because this is what really happened. Remember, in those time, you know, I want DJ select for your sound, you know. You know what I mean? Like, you know, as you know, Rankin Joe talk Stirgraph all the time. You know, when I tell man say I have sound before Stirgraph, they might think I joke I make. Because I tell them say Stirgraph, it have a sound after come off of the road. I wouldn't go into that.
Because they mash up the sound politics thing.
Politics
and the sound
thing,
mash
you
up,
understand?
man.
But when Downbeat come on the road, Downbeat never come off of the road because all the ranks them just love. Me know for cool dance. I did a history one night. You see? You know why sometimes I have to skip some of them things. It's like it's so long, brethren. Because when I brought Shabba Ranks in New York 1988, the dance was so ram. At that time, Major Mackerel was really the big star. Right? And the dance was so ram, and I love my fans, them. And, you know, you have some people that walk up and down at the dance and you can't see, and I start get worried because, believe you me, you know, the dance was overrun, brethren. And me I think to myself, say, boy, I don't want this dance to mash up because how much people probably would get hurt. And that's something I talk to myself and God, you know, and I say, what me I go do for cool this dance, yeah? And some people tell me, say, why them feel me are the greatest selector? Can me play a soul tune in a rubber dub dance and cool it down, you know?
Yeah.
Because a guy have a #1 tune for weeks in New York, a guy named Roger. A tune named, hey lady, let me tell you. You know that tune?
The tune.
They really want to sound like Marvin Gaye, let's get it on. Mash up the world, that tune there. And something come to my mind and say, that's like what that tune is #1.
Jappy.
And there's so much one on the dance. Play that tune there. Oh my God, man. And then some of the ladies that was wearing red. I'm going to draw a lady in red. Oh my God, that made me dance till after 7 in the morning. And everybody start praying, oh man, oh my God, man, that is one of my biggest history.
Yeah, but all it does still, because I want to add some structure to it here, because you're over there though. Because we kind of jump. I understand say history no fellow.
Yes, man.
Or you try to keep it on a little mellow tone with that about, or you end up play mellow tone.
All right, good. We went up there, King James was playing in Washington, right? So me and James are good friends. So James said, take the ride, man. So go up there. And we go down a Melitone now, because we're not going to dance so 7 o'clock, you know? So we go to Melitone house now. And when we go to Melitone house now, because it was supposed to Jawise, I think.
Okay.
They don't want to play the sound. So we're in the basement now, and through me, you know, from the record.
Yeah, spin.
Spin and just start kill some time. So we there play some tune and play, and we just sketch. The bigger brother said to, like John Silla said, like him. You know, and that way they like him and say, me for real. So anyway, from the night they would just start them and Gitmo also used to go up there and hook up them sound.
Oh, okay.
And things like that. So from this, we start playing Melatones.
How long you play that sound for?
Couple years.
Couple of years.
And the deal what we make, you know, we only play Melatones when Downbeat not playing.
Oh, okay.
So if I don't have a dance, we say next month or the month after, we figure it out and give them the date.
Okay.
So I take the sound and carry it #1 at Washington, D.C. All I did with that sound was just bring some of my 45 them, because you know, I can't play my dub them.
Right.
But them used to make 2 dubs. It's one of the youngest sound in New York I hear play Nitty Gritty Tenor. Combination.
As I said, tenor, I mean, if you ask me one question about tenor, but I don't the road that. So you get around to that. You get around. Oh, Nitty Gritty and tenor, combination.
Man. Yes, man. Them man, they, you know, and things like that. But it's a great, because the top sound in Washington, D.C. at that time was Emperor.
Okay.
Emperor was bad sound too. Have some nice tenor dub too. I love to give people rating, you know,
man. Yeah.
and thing. But you know, what I learned about, sound business, every man select in a different way.
True that, true.
But not for the youth them when I see I select today, me not feel like them learn it the right way.
Them just a select because of this where the music there and what the people them want to hear. So that's the next thing to get
Well,
out of school.
well, it's true, and the reason why I say that, anybody, if you is not even a good selector, you can take the top party songs
and bust it dance.
Bust the dance.
Yeah, because they're popular.
Right. But what I'm saying now, if you're a good selector and you play in a dance, say regular week, then twice a month or whatsoever, there was time you should set yourself, say, boy, me go play some things different.
Right,
because, you know what I mean? Yeah, me have woman that tell me, say, them tired of hear certain sound, or them know way them won't play.
Right.
When DOWNBEAT I play, can't program me that way there. And so him shine at them, I tell him, say, don't call no name. When you hear a song up here, because it might be a different vocal on the rhythm. Wait until me tell you now.
Right.
So that is where my is to go.
Yeah, man. So what you write that down? So Melotone, we talk about that. So DOWNBEAT now was slowly becoming one of the big sound. A Bronx.
No, one of the big sound.
No, man, you never read to say, but you took your time and eventually you became the biggest sound in Bronx, in New York.
All right, okay,
right?
I'm going to tell you how that happened now.
All right, tell me how that happened.
One of the history.
Yeah.
You probably hear about two of the wickedest blackout in New York City. Blackout.
Oh, yeah?
The whole city blackout. I think it's 77, maybe 76, 77. Blackout. The whole of Manhattan in darkness. The whole of New York, some generator or something. But you know, them times whenever they hear about terrorist thing, but the whole of about 3 days.
Okay.
The whole city blackout. And on this record shop, they loot him, man, empty.
Oh.
Empty. Whole of a place. You have a place named Sunroom. You know, and I remember that is actually in a black neighborhood, and them mash up that dog, get killed and everything, man. Them loot. So it was a big time looting. And the next blackout never come so long after that.
Okay.
So DOWNBEAT sound popular. Not going on radio them time. They carry dance to keep it just flyers. You know?
Right.
Wrong same way. So you start here a couple dance now with a man named Gilly Bailey on the radio now.
The great Gilly Bailey.
Advertised now. So me get a little bit, you know? And I said, no, DOWNBEAT need to start run on the radio now. So one day, I went to meet this man now. So one day there on this record shop and him come inside, I go down there and see him. And he was round the counter like, you know, dealing with some business or whatever it is. So we wait patiently, about 4 people in the shop till him come out. And him come out, said to him, so I'm Mr. Big, good day, you know, principal and thing. And him say, what's up, you know, and I said, boy, you know, we have a sound named DOWNBEAT and would I like work out a thing. And I start thinking and I say, me have a sound and him there on the radio. So it's a good combination.
Makes sense.
So him say, where your sound name? And I said, DOWNBEAT. He said, no, sir. And I never like the idea because I feel shame because some customers in the store, you know.
Okay.
And the way the man come at me, I feel shame, so I have to take time, like a walk. Like, I say, no, like him, I say, no, sir, pay about man, and, you know, that kind of vibes. So, him get to use me now. Because one night, him have a competition, a guy, you know, named, a son named Sir Peter, and a guy named Rhoda. Tall Indian guy, and he go to the party tonight. But when we go to the party tonight now, the clash is a class. So when we go to the night now, we just in time to see them give the trophy to the winner. That time the whole of Bronx me actually a conquer it already and love me. So them say, well then, them give the trophy to, you know, Sir Peter, #1 sound of Bronx. So the whole dancer said, #1 sound, I'm going to play DOWNBEAT.
Okay.
And that's how that clash come up 1979.
Oh.
I mean, I tell you, man, it was like nothing taking candy from a little
Kill
baby.
Sir Peter.
Oh, my God, man.
But before we reach to Sir Peter, so that's one of the way how the Downbeat name got big. But eventually you start, who was the first song you played? The first clash you clash?
Oh, my God. You know what I'm saying? Boy, you know, some of them studied that one day.
I studied that one day.
But I remember, you know.
Okay.
Cause enough.
So what the first clash where you remember being a part of though, as Downbeat International or Downbeat the Ruler?
Yes, but I remember a clash one night. I'm a friend, but I the shoot me attack. Me and I saw him Sir Thomas, right?
Okay.
I play in Norwalk, Connecticut.
Bronx son?
Eh? No, Brooklyn.
Brooklyn son, okay.
And we are playing a clash place named Moosal. Why them call it Moosal? It's like a big, you know, big, like a storage place,
Okay.
like antique, you know. And when Downbeat start drop the bass in there, and not only me, maybe any other song, you see dirt that come from the, you know, and thing, and it's like a factory place.
Okay.
So it was couple bright light in there. So if you want to get the light for them, you have to climb up and or, you know, or put some cardboard over it or something. But don't rent for $600 at that time. And we could have get Norwalk police team stay. That the only thing that when it come 4 o'clock, you know, you give them some extra and keep them and thing. And I remember that dance so well that I was playing Love Bump with Low Ranger before it released.
Okay.
And when I draw Love Bump, oh my God, and not only that, me have a next version for Love Bump, I know it not release, me and Miss Brown.
Oh yeah?
Ask Low Ranger about it. Yeah, went uptown to go check Miss Brown. She gone downtown to go buy where they go. I know Mr. Dad don't release it, I don't know why, but the same Love Bump for them. And these things are history, so when Downbeat play, you could hear some of the people when them go away. I said, why? We don't we get them tune there? You know what I mean? People in the south, you know, you're going to dance and people are going and feel happy. I go a few dance where I sorry too, but
oh, yeah.
you know what I mean? The way it was nice.
Yeah.
But my thing is that I feel a good selector. I feel a good song can create history in any dance if you know for really, you know, identify the song. I think I'm very good at that.
So, but what you know, Father Tony?
Yeah.
Because we are talking so far now. Which one I first one kill you? Kill Downbeat. You go home and you're sad. You're happy. You lose a dad.
Papa Moke.
Papa Moke. But I think about the first 2-3 times you play more killer, man.
No, first 2 times.
First 2 times.
Yeah, but you see, what happened when he killed me at that time, the world know it is, that is...
And it was dub plates or DJ?
No, man, DJ at that time.
Okay.
He never had songs like me. But when me and Papa Moke play first...
Think Rankin Joe was over there at the time?
Then Rankin Joe did the job. Because remember, you know, at that time, Rankin Joe does leave from Jamaica with the Ray Cymbalist.
Right, Ray Cymbalist.
And I know him started Stirgraph officially.
Right.
And come to New York. And then the Brigadier was supposed to come DJ for me.
Oh.
Brigadier never come. See? So it was me a DJ.
Oh, you the DJ?
Yeah, me a DJ, Sister Carol.
Oh, yeah, Sister Carol.
And Reverend Bado.
Oh.
Named Ras Bado now. At that time, Shine never come around Downbeat yet.
Okay. Rankin Joe stringing off.
Boy, I'm going to tell you something. I want to tell you something. The man who make him the second time when we lose that dance to Rankin Joe, it's like the man, them draw me attention. Because me have a tune for the turntable. And a little man where, me not going to call him name, but him, you know, it's like, him see the tune that me I play and whisper to the man over there. Which the tune was Troumaker.
Okay.
And, you know, when Rankin Joe catch him tune there, you know, it's serious thing. You have to have a man like Brigadier to stand up with them man at that time. You know? So I lose that dance because of a better DJ. And not songs, you know, because we are play tune and I pull up the place, but we lose that dance of better DJ and certain things.
Yeah, man, that's not
only that. Not only that. More kind of bigger sound than me that time.
Oh, his sound never has...
Downbeat, that them time the downbeat sound small after that. But guess what happened? Them two dancers when we play about 8 or 9 times, never win another clash.
Never win another clash?
No. The last time when we killed Papa Moke, you know, we killed him one night at Jersey. And that's one of the wickedest kill times. Man, I run over and want to fight Lieutenant Stitchy. Lieutenant Stitchy a DJ and Brigadier DJ for Downbeat.
Okay.
You know, God bless Stitchy. The last time we killed Papa Moke is in Brooklyn. A place named Galaxy.
Galaxy Ball.
And you know that killer up now. You know that killer up now. It was so surprising. The man have high raya DJ for him.
Oh yeah?
Big high raya, you know.
It was a big high raya.
Well, I know. Hear the truth now. Here who me have line up now, pa my can have to come now. Welton Irie, Johnny Ringo, Tyan. The whole of Volcano crew me have now.
Oh.
I wait for that 10-part tune there. So, my friend name, I had to that select for Moke. But here we change, here we up now. Me say, Uncle man never draw me, say, Daddy not dance.
You mean, oh, you
So the
brought
one
him there?
coming, no, I'm not bringing him there. The car brigadier go make. Every man I'm a brethren. That's tune there.
I'm a virgin still.
I'm sad that and Philip James from the Blue Bastards bring the tune at the dance and some other tune come give me.
Oh.
But I said that they come in at it and I hold him white one in our car now. So the man we are playing the next song over there now. When him see me said that, he would have killed me with studio one. But me know he never ready for it yet, you know, because we have them time there. You know, them time the disease is really man and lick and, you know what I mean? We have all Michigan in there, because one of them man there, I'm a friend.
Okay.
So when my time come to play, so that just walk up to me and say, "Why Jackson, look at cat, this see me and get panic." Yeah man, hear me. Why look at cat, this see me and get panic here. You're on the right track, man. Play forward, man. I mean, with Tyan, the whole of the Volcano crew them over there, you know. Oh my God, that was the last beat. Papa
Okay. So Moke was the first sound to really kill you.
Yeah, man.
But then eventually you start them out. So I could talk about now some of the artists who were around the sound. Who was the first artist with DJ the sound outside of you?
You have a youth named Weber. You have a youth named Little Dread. And them youth, they used to nice up every dance, but they never really make no song.
Okay,
you know, at the time. But like a community area DJ them, where them used to go and go and then we bring on a little youth named Sanatone,
so,
which belong a little sound for himself too, and things like that. And then when they touch 82 now, that is the time now when the big change make now.
Okay.
Because we decide now, we say, bring in Brigadier. Because by them time, the Brigadier tear down a piece, but Brigadier make me start make special.
Brigadier make a start voice dub?
Brigadier, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, do my first official special as a big artist. Musical explosion, only can play by one sound, them wrongs called Downbeat, strictly wrong, but don't is that rhythm them called Heavenless. They can't play every Heavenless, they may have the real Heavenless. None of them can play it like me. I lie, we can't tell them. Me have more than 5 mixer fight, but Juice Will and them man, me have the right Heavenless.
Yeah, the right Heavenless.
Yeah, because every Heavenless with them have, they mostly use the one that come on a 12-inch.
Okay.
Or me have the real dub mix Heavenless. You know? So Brigadier encouraged me night, and we just listen to him and just start take it to a different level that way there, and it starts. And then, you know, once it starts. That's why when I give the history and that, I usually tell them, up to last set, I was tell them that I'm not the first person who do dub plate, but I make it international. Because right now, every sound, especially for the foundation artists,
right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I go deep, you know?
Yeah, and I think now you were responsible for bringing quite a few artists to record for Coxsone.
Yes, man.
Briggy, for example, is one of them. Josie,
yeah.
Pliers, Half Pint.
Yeah, bring Half Pint.
Glenn Washington.
Frankie Paul.
Yeah,
and more. Who again I bring over there? I call him Carl Mix. Carl Mix.
Carl Mix.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And, you know, and things like that. Because it was so funny when I bring Glenn Washington there. It's a lady named Gwen, the tallest woman never see. Believe me, the woman about 7. Tall, man.
Tall.
And very nice woman, man. Used to live in Detroit. Help a lot of artists because when Tiger was Tiger and Tiger get cool and then people start to say I use drugs. And Glenn bring him from Jamaica and bring him to Detroit.
Okay.
And then me take him over now. Clinton Lindsay have a award show.
Tamika Award.
Tamika Award show. And me take out cards. So me can help him no other way they know. And I bring him up. I'm take him and I carry him at the show. That night is another history again. So I said to him, say, Tiger, here it go now. Don't worry about what a man wants about you. The first thing we do, as we come off of the plane, so we go straight to Brooklyn. I will go Flatbush Avenue, because Flatbush Avenue was like a shopping center, you know?
Okay.
You know, like, you know what I mean, and thing like that. Get some nice clothes, swim and thing like that, and shape them up in the barber shop and thing there, you know? And thing like that. And we carry him on the dance tonight at the show. Show Rama. Because and Clinton is good brethren, you know, up until today. So, we said to him, say, Tiger, don't worry about what nobody wants to say. It's you and him, Tiger, that's going there. So this is what we give my friend Clinton a surprise now. So I'm walking George with his Clinton photo man, you know. So George see me. But him never see Tiger. Because Tiger, you know, a lot of media. Right. So we just leave Tiger out there and George said to me right away, you want to go backstage, Beacon Theatre? And him say, you want to go backstage? I say, okay. So as we go through the door, so now I go backstage now. Mr. Clinton will come. But Clinton look worried, you know? He look worried like something not right, you know? So I said to him, so everything cool. And he said to me, say, boy, DOWNBEAT. Boy, if I could get an artist to work after Tony Tough. Because, you know, enough respect to my brethren, Tony Tough, but Tony Tough, wicked singer and everything. But in appearance on stage is not, you know, every artist is different.
That Tiger full of energy,
you know?
and sitting on.
So we turn to Clinton now, and I said to you, say, I mean, Tiger come here now. So, him look at me and think me I get away, man. So him say, I'm say, yeah, man, I mean, Tiger come here, man. And him say, come on, DOWNBEAT, man, don't play no, man. I said, brethren, I your friend. I said, me and Tiger come. I said, but him not say no Tiger. That time Tiger outside, I deal in the media them. So him say, boy, DOWNBEAT, if I get Tiger for that. Then Tiger steal and Cleavy just release a tune with Tiger say, name Ram Dancehall and mash up New York. And we make agreement. And a night tears come from my eye, which 2 DJ ever do that, Brigadier and Tiger. You know, happiness for them. I'm Mr. Tiger, I go, I'm going to tell you something, brethren. Up until now, me no see no DJ jump as Tiger, brethren. When the man say, wow, you know, it's about 20 times. So the night, you know, lead us now, because them have an after party downtown. Right. And I brethren, enough respect to him to that believe it. You know, you hear about him. Have enough strength and things like that. Lead us, the after party is down by Theme Place. So them beg us to carry on, and I said to Tiger, say, no more than 2 songs. Because them time them can't do nothing without.
Right,
you know what I mean?
Right.
So the next week now them want him underground. So we have to pay me X amount to get him underground. And I also pay for him rent a car for the week. You know, and hotel, you know what I mean? Roadblock again, you know? And unfortunately, you know?
Yeah.
Fortunately.
Yeah.
Great artists, you know. So we keep some big dance, you know, we keep a dance name. Tiger actually make the name feet. The dance end up name down the line.
Down the line.
Cause him say something missing from the dance. And you was missing from the dance, Shabba Ranks.
Oh, okay.
Because Shabba was supposed to come for the dance. Because me make a deal with Shabba say every year about my birthday thing. And for some reason, I see a posters with a Shabba and Little Twitch for to Boston for 2 nights, the same night. And I couldn't get in touch with nobody to find out how that go. Even though it was just a vertical agreement with me and Shabba and things like that. So we never bother hesitate. We just call Charlie Chaplin right away. You know, for fitting, because we don't like fake people or rap people. The man can't tell you that. We cancel dance with Nicodemus and Brigade already, you know. Tell the people, roadblock, and tell the people in the night, say, why I choose certain things, Brigadier, again. Nicodemus, if they want, that nobody can say, we take them on the parts, you know, and things. I was true to the business, you know.
Right.
So in the night and Tiger, so well, then something missing from the dance. And when we look at it, I don't know what happening at the morning, the boy, but the ranks come in.
Okay.
And when the ranks come, man, Twitch come at night, and I see a table broke down. The man set up a DJ on one of them table there, you know. You think the woman them would have make him fall down?
Oh,
Everybody's, yo, I tell you. My DJ away from Brigadier, my DJ.
that's about your DJ, right? Talking about some of the other artists that really and truly, you know, emerged from our, I think Scully was on the sound at one point in time. No?
Which Scully? Who named Scully?
You never have a DJ around the sound named Scully?
I will tell you them history there.
Oh.
Yeah, man, Scully.
Scully.
Drop out now. Santa
ranking.
Well, let me tell you something about Scully. Scully was one of the youth, top ranking youth. About 40 cutting in face.
Oh.
Short little youth, you know, and sound just like Low Ranger.
Okay.
Bad. You know, a DJ would have mash up Jamaica if they never kill him. Me used to DJ for Jaro.
Hold on, Jim Kelly.
Jim Kelly.
Oh, okay.
All right, sir. You know your thing. Jim Kelly. Me say when I mash up. You don't say I predict Capleton say must go in Boston, you know.
Okay.
And Barry G, she went in an interview with Barry G years ago. So I know the thing, and if you say...
You have a year to see talent, man.
You know, a DJ will predict say they are wicked, and for some reason, you know what happened?
Who that?
Terry Fabulous.
In wicked? It's just that unfortunate things that happen, you know what I mean? But
you know what I mean?
Terry, one of the greatest DJ, when he was at the top of his game, they're not bad.
Let me tell you something. I did something for 2 nights that I don't think nobody do it in New York, and it's only me do it, you know. Papa San, Lieutenant Sichi, and Professor Nuts, 2 nights for my birthday. And Patrick from Shocking Vibes. Robert. Begged me I'm gay Liquor Kirk, so one of the biggest break in my life. Him not pass me away. Even though I turned to Metro. When we had this to my play in Brooklyn, you know, it's so much history and brethren, you know.
Yeah, so we are trying to get some word. Some of the artists around, because we made mention of Sister Carol already, see?
Yes.
Mama Nancy was around the sound naturally because Briggy, I suppose, and the Tavern Link and them something. So
yes,
Nancy was around the sound from time to time.
Well, Mama Nancy come to America 1982 when she had Bam Bam and thing. But hear the history on that now. At the time when she come to New York, you know, Bam Bam was the bad tune, you know. It was the one 1 2.
1 2, okay.
Right? Bam Bam came
after.
Way after. So what happened, Ken will have a show with she and Dan Carlos and John Holt, you know, and Hunter College, Roadblock. And I get her the next week in our club named Barclay. People have to stand up on the table on a Wednesday night before Thanksgiving. And Mama Nancy is one of us too. You know what I mean? And Ken Williams are going like, you know, let me use her. And man say, team, tell him, say, when that man have call, you think we can say no? She tell him. As a matter of fact, the same Ken Williams have a club named Negrilla. I don't hear about it, Negrilla.
I think I've heard it been mentioned before.
And we have a dance down there one night. The only sound, no, I wouldn't say the only sound, because I think he did DJ upon Papa Mook sound, was Rankin Dread.
Oh, Rankin Dread, okay.
Rankin Dread, yeah, man, now them did the style, you know, and them did massive Dread DJ upon Downbeat sound.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a sound of the history in those ways.
Yeah.
When Michigan and Smiley came up, the DJ upon Downbeat sound, I hear the joke about that now. Mr. DC with Sugar Minot. Was record 1978. but it never released till 1980.
Oh, okay.
And I me make it release.
Oh.
So I play it at the dance in Michigan Smiling Night about 5 times. No sound have it, and me alone have it pan double. So we go to Mr. Dad the next day. So Mr. Dad is like a joke, you know. But the way I thought, Mr. Dad, release the tune. And I said, take it easy. And I said, release the tune. And I say, what about Clavata Jackson? Kind of say, like I run him, think me around to come tell him. But I said, release the tune. And I said, not only that, a tune like that, versus I say, ganja. And when him release it, man, from that, him love me. Well, I'm going to tell you, Bridget. Every tune I tell him release.
Shot.
It's shot, man.
Yeah.
Every tune, man.
But I think the RT, so I know that Briggy is Briggy.
Yeah.
Can't take that from him. But the RT and Sister Carol would have done exceptionally well.
Yeah.
But I think the RTs that people most readily associate with Downbeat,
Yeah.
Shinehead.
Yes, well, let me tell you something about Shinehead. You see, Shinehead now, me just coming like, give the youth or the man a try, or maybe see the talent, because we was playing a place in Red Snapper. One way in and one way out, you know. Because it's a little store where them have them snapper fish.
Okay.
You know? And the brother Busby and brother Rai never stop at them, 2 Rasta man them, you know. I decide, say, you know what happened? Because in the years when we stopped playing a basement, because I remember one time it was basement party in America.
Right,
and me come out of that, no man couldn't get me. But the Rasta man, they was so respectful that I decided to give them a night, you know, because you have to go through the restaurant and go down at the strap hole, you know. The night when I down there, I see a youth, them time, Sister Carol, Reverend Badu. I see a youth coming out, you know, white side, you know, shorts and everything, in glasses bigger than my own, and in them time there. And it be kind of strange tonight. And him come to me and him said, good night, sir. And him say, if you don't mind, I would like to talk and already. You know, in principle.
Yeah, man, principle for true.
So right away, me tell Sister Carol, say, give him a touch. Everybody else around the sound and look upon him, say,
Right.
him never dirty, but him look clean, but everybody him look strange.
Yeah.
You know, he just look different. And the first rhythm him DJ upon that night, not much, was Shankai Shek.
Shankai Shek.
Yeah, and him tune was When the Saint, the marching in, you know. And then him come to me, and then he said to me, say, I would like to join up with Downbeat, you know. So, me no know, me just run, I just, what do you call it, a serious joke, or true joke then,
Right.
or, you know. And I said to him, say, if you want to sign up on a song, you know, you have to sign a 20-year contract. So, he goes and draw out a pen out of his pocket. So me just turn to him and say, a joke me I make. But after that now, me just love the youth. And me and him start spar. So one night we play a song named Culture Root. Culture Roots. And me play a tune named Back Out With It. And he turn to me and say, what kind of rhythm that you play? And I said to him, say, you come for DJ the sound, I'm tell you something. If you come for DJ the sound, DJ the rhythm or something. Yeah, because you don't back out to the wailing soul. So you start, so we play the rhythm and we start DJ Panama. Hello, yo, my name is Shinehead, your man parents, and you get a big power, this guy you look after one of my shoulder. Yeah, for the power them get, you know. And I just look at him and say, remember, you come for DJ, me play, and you DJ. So we don't do no rehearsal.
Right.
You know? One night again, we on Volcano play. It was a Christmas Eve night. Ty and them Ringo, a DJ for Downbeat. Ty and a DJ for Volcano. Them couldn't angle Downbeat bass. The man find, remember it's Christmas Eve into Christmas.
Right.
So it's like Christmas then. The man find every lyrics of Christmas, brethren.
Yeah.
The man is terrible about it. You see all that sound of them up like they whoa, like when you I shine them take that from, you know. And what I do, even when I do dub with Shinehead, most of the songs, I know any man where I think could I do that. Most of the songs when you sing, you know, and get big time forward. I do them pan dub like don't throw it all away and all them tune there.
Right.
Always and enough for sound. Him can't do them for no more sound.
Exclusive.
Him cannot do them exclusively and thing. So up until today, him call me regular man. 2-3 times a day, you know. One thing him never do. But me not have him up for that.
Okay.
Me not have him up for that. But one thing him never do. Because when him really rise on the top,
Right.
him should have carry him with him.
You shouldn't carry with him?
Yeah, him should have carry him with him or carry Santa Rankin.
Okay.
But the thing because Santa Rankin is an original DJ with Juicy Whale and Burro Banton, you know. A sound named Roots, something like that. Roots Unlimited or something like that they name. That's the sound where Juicy them actually start out from.
Okay.
So Santa was a DJ who could have balanced better than Shiny because Shiny did fast bad.
Okay.
So we have to slow him down. And the thing about Shiny, they used to lift all the record box. And in those days, you carry a record box like 6 row, you know.
Big man.
And him go down, drink pear milk and no, me I tell you, that youth, they just, you know.
Great youth, man.
Me I tell you, boy.
Great youth.
Me I tell you something. Boy, me don't know him. You just use the word.
Yeah, man.
Great
and then,
youth.
so another man kind of made mention of him earlier. Louis Rankin also ended up around the sound.
Well, okay. All right. Lou Rankin was playing Downbeat. Never go Hartford go play until 1985. Because Hartford kind of was a rough place. But you'd have a tipper tone like I said in Bridgeport. So there was a clash that come up now with tipper tone and Downbeat now. That's the one from Hartford, the Lou Rankin, a DJ.
Okay.
And I had Scully. So we go Bridgeport, Connecticut. And when I hear Lou Rankin, I said to myself, where do you see where that come from?
Bad.
Because a lot of people think that Lou Rankin actually came up with Jack Ruby sound, you know. But Lou Rankin, for some reason, I think, you know, him as a citizen in Canada.
Right,
so him leave and go Hartford. But one of my cousins now, my uncle daughter now, I take a little break and go buy the youth them now some drink. And I go down to the bar and see like Lou Rankin that talk to her. She come from Hartford too. And it sound like him there bad her up like, you know, to me, certain way. So I just come to him and say, hey DJ, I say talk to man. You know? Then we there. Him turn around and look and see me and him start laugh. And I say, I'm serious man. I say chat to man. And I say, you know, and thing. And him start kind of hug me up like, I say, DJ, you're bad, you know, but you're on the wrong sound.
Yeah.
I say, come to New York and see if me no bus you. And so the night now, the Jack Ruby come up now, which I think Jack Ruby maybe, well, no sound man about to like him.
Oh, yeah?
No. One night me have a dance with Lieutenant Stitchy and Brigadier in a place name, forgot that club the name. And every tune, man, before Brigadier and Stitchy, Jack Ruby take the mic, Jack Ruby rate me, you know, and take the mic and introduce them. You know. When Jack Ruby sound come up, you know, him tell all the people in the name of the boat with the sound company, you know. You know them will up and some of the speaker them. But let me tell you something. What's a nice brethren, you know. And Shiny go up on Jack Ruby, I bring him near the night, and they won't give him a talk.
Oh, yeah?
You know, for the truth, who's really Shiny the idol? It's Bobby Culture, you know.
I think he made mention of that.
Shiny really sound like Bobby Culture. Believe me. And when them come up on Lou Rankin and Bobby Culture, that him, and Brimstone was a good DJ too. I think he's still alive too. And things like that. But they wouldn't give him the mic and I tell him, say, I tell you all the while. Leave the sound, you have your sound when the right time come.
Right,
Them can't refuse you. But him want anxious to talk tonight. They won't give him the mic tonight. They won't give him the mic.
G get hold of a mic for that, man. Some of the artists where you help along the way or will pass through your hands at some point in time include people like Johnny Osbourne.
Oh my God, man.
Sammy Dread.
The first night Johnny Osborne come in for and have a dance with the Buster club named Encore, 1985. And I come at that dance. He was the first man to sing Goldfinger, Dancer Wicked, Artist Like Nothing, Sammy Dread, Papa Tyan, Sister Nancy, Sister Carol, Brigadier,
Big dance,
Papa
right?
Son, Danny Trey. Oh my God, man.
Big
you know what I
dance,
mean?
right.
A big dance, bro, Low Ranger. You know, and my Buster Club, the fella man there. It was a nice club, Bridging, and it just couldn't move. And it was a Yankee club, and I try, you know, and things like that, you know. And all of the artists, really, you know, if you talk to a man like Sammy Dread.
Because now are you really boss M16?
Yes, man. Definitely. Definitely, no doubt about it. Because when I play with M16, no sound in New York, they know when name M16. And even the special where you hear Sammy Dread do, the M16, me have another tune on the rhythm with him, where he going to do for me.
Oh, okay.
Maybe him not remember it, like, you know, like
When I interview him yet still, but I know that you are integral in bossing that song still.
Yeah, man, and eventually, somewhere or the other, me can make an interview him.
Yeah, the thing is that with Sammy, look like him not come on yard.
Yeah, that's the problem with him.
That is it.
You know, one time he tell me same they will make the move.
So that kind of hold up my things.
Yeah.
But I guess we need to start come that side there too still, but I work in progress. How do I think go?
Well, even when Major Mackerel, you know, because when Major Mackerel was decided to say, take the change, he asked me, and I said, well then, maybe it's a good move, because if you're up there, someone, you know, when people, what we notice, you know, when you're up there and people see you too regular, especially as a DJ,
Yes.
you know, you became like, I don't know, you know, but you became like certain way. But me personally, I tell your teacher that if nobody no rate me out there, some of the guys that me feel say, me always say, and some of the people who hire me, fight me.
Right.
But the reason why I'm not worry about it is because me rate myself. I mean, it's things that I could have done where me never do.
Right.
But me raise myself to the ability where me have, where me learn from the youth days, so coming up, and when me had to it.
Yeah, but any man when know the music, the sound system culture, and now have Tony Screw in the top echelons, right? A bias, man.
Yeah, man, let me tell you something. One of my dreams, you know, one of my greatest dreams so far in the business, when I'm going up and hear songs playing, I'm hear the alternatives, I'm hear the this, and I said to myself, so I must know them man they one day. And see, alternatives became one of my friends. John Holt became one of my friends. Me think me I don't want to know with John Holt. I'm a friend. When a man live all that Bronx, we didn't want to talk a story on this interview with me and John Holt. Because one time I have John Holt in a studio. You were in a studio one time. John Holt, Gregory Isaac, Joseph Will, Brigadier, Early B. And Gregory had do a tune for me. And him call all of the man them name in the tune, and it's a joke, the way I rhyme them. You understand? Because, you know, as you know, anybody know Gregory. No, Gregory is sweet, but I know Gregory is sweet, and him say, DOWNBEAT, I know you and Joseph Will is good friend. And I came to New York and he let me get good axe tailor. Can I have a cut? Can I have a cut after the rhythm? I'm never give the rhythm still. Yeah. If you ever hear my number one, man. If you hear my number one, me have the best number one.
So we spoke about you being responsible for really bossing M16, Sammy Dread M16. Another artist, and you record him first, but you were probably the person who bossed the Bitty McLean. Walk Away From Love.
Yeah, well, hold on a minute. Say that again, please.
So Bitty McLean was recording, but you were probably the person who was responsible kind of breaking him in the dancehall space, in the sound system space.
Well, boy, is that history?
Are you not take that credit there?
Well, let me tell you what happened. I don't know. I really don't know if the artist himself, Bitty McLean.
Right.
To be very honest, I don't know if him really thinking that way in my mind. But what I feel I did as a selector and as a sound man, I would go anywhere, and as long as a record shop is there, me not leave unless we go in there. So what I used to do, I always call the UK, I have a couple of friends, and find out what's going on in the UK. You know, because we just want things different, because I remember the first time when Early B died, and we have a function for Early B. I remember when I play a Ghanaian sick name, Love is the Answer. And that was released for a 12-inch Steely and Clevey in the UK first. Nobody know hear it, and a Jamis tune named Lord Look Over Our Shoulder.
Lord, watch out for our shoulder.
You understand? So one day, I sit down in a car with my brother in the past, you know, where you see. And Mr. Tim say, anything come out, we're going to the UK. And I said, nothing now go on, and you know, them kind of like away there. So me said to him, say, the big UK. And then he said to me, say, only a little tune like a singer named Bitty Mac, you know, a little tune just come out and really. But no, you know, me stay. Because one time them say, me a flip side, you know. Because when me used to, you know, song used to come out in A and B.
Right.
So when me buy a song, me must play the B side when me go home or something. Some people are going to buy a song for the A side. So I said to him, say, touch the song, let me hear it. So as soon as him put on the song and touch it, I said, buy 50 copies for me. They said, start, you know. So I said, I'm going to buy 50, start pay for the FedEx and everything and come. And I have it for 3 weeks, and I give a man named Carly B. Maxey, a bigger man, come on and sat there. I give 2 copies. So I have 48 left. And 1 week, go up on the corner, out of Mo's record shop. I don't know, one man just tell me, say, put some on the record, put the record in, keep back 6 copies. I eat in my car and put in the house and put the rest of them in the car back. So one man say, call him, can come on from 11 till 1. So one man say, call him. And I say, what, Mr. Carly? Oh, everything. And him say, why Downbeat is the most requested song, Walk Away From Love. At that time, I had a trip regular for go Germany and one lineup for go Japan. So he said to me, say, should I give you credit for it? But me know it by a little shy self now. I say, no man, just go and do your thing. I mean, you're like a vice whisper to me and say, then if the man want to give credit, take credit. So I'm saying, yeah man, all right, give me credit. The day when the man mentioned and played the tune and the man say, thank you, Downbeat, for this one. Brethren, my phone ring non-stop. That day, I sell 41 copy in less than an hour. So we just go some, you know, and we are talking about $15, $20 each. So we just had 150 more. And from after that, Moody's want to buy a little from me and Ray. And then we go to Germany. And that's the biggest history now. I got bleed in my brain. And that was a history. But I played it in Germany. I danced with Supersonic. About 5,000 people in my dance. I be done tear down the dance already. At 4:30 in the morning. I said to myself, say, me cool long. Because, you know, usually when I go to Europe, I play the sound and play before me. And then make me play for all 3 hours if I want. That's how the rating when I get. So, something I said to me, say, me cool long the dance and play some Bob Marley. But you know when you play Bob Marley, it's not cool long because it's a sing-along song. So the whole dance, I go sing. And something I said to me, say, play the Bitty McLean song. Before me play the Bob Marley them, I introduce it. That time the dance done ramming and everything, you know. Brethren, this when I play the tune, the people then run like they won't take me away. And maybe that's the first time when I see me play a tune and get that kind of vibes. And I feel a pain in my head. And boy, the father let me survive it because when the man them dropped me at the hotel, And them come out. That day I was supposed to go. Dinner Sunday evening, leave back to New York the Monday. And the man them said them come to the hotel 4 times. Me no wake up because I was feeling so much pain that finally when I fall asleep, I just sleep. So if me have to go in and sleep, but I just go. But when them come back the 5th time, them said when them come, if we never answer the door, them would go down there, you know, and think and when them come, well wake up and ready. And reach back in New York and hit me 1 week after that. And send me bleeding on my brain, brethren. And when me and Radigan played 2006.
Yeah.
That was the worst one now.
Yeah, we have to pick up that. Yeah. We have to pick up that. Because we have something to talk about before we reach the source.
Yeah.
So, the Bitty McLean, walk away, the Sammy Dread, you played roles in getting those shows popular.
Big time, because every soulman in the world wanted me because nobody could have get it from Bitty. No, nobody. Radigan get it after me. Mm-hmm. And I think why the reason why Bitty get it, Bitty done did love my sound. Because I used to play all tune pan, tape and all them.
Okay.
You know? And if you play a vocal for me, I play the rhythm. So I have a song, nobody don't know much Bitty me have. Because I don't rate me have.
Yeah.
So when they interview me usually, I would just say, play good music and things might happen.
Right.
Or I was just lucky then. You know what I mean? Because I know a good song. Mm-hmm. And not only that, when I played that song that night in Germany, I did play alternate list because the rhythm is coming from alternate list. So I said, this is where the rhythm track coming from. That's why, and I played Better Get Ready. I never played the dub plate. Because at that time I didn't have the dub plate to Bitty. Mm-hmm. So anyway, Bitty come to New York the same year. Guy from BBQ from Liberal Love bring him. Dance never promote it through Sunday night, which is not the money was, but it never promote the right and proper way. But they was respected enough to ask me to introduce him, you know, which was lovely. So I did that the night, and me and Bitty have a great relationship. You know, I go to England and sitting with him one whole day.
Yes.
And me and him have a great relationship. But when I go to Germany, you know, go play, that was a bigger example, you know, because you know, one man from Switzerland, and when I hear the tune, I had a 400 fee, you know, and things like that. And it started, go from this, then we go Japan after. And then the same place that I bust the 45 in Japan is the same place where I bust the special.
Okay.
So, when Bitty come to New York now, I start realize the kind of person where Bitty is. So, when I tell him that I want the double, he said to me that when I go back to England, I will do it. Something about that pressure.
Right.
So one Saturday, I go to the food market or in the supermarket. And I come out and I go pack out things in my car and one thing like that. And I see the phone ring. And when I see the UK number, I just hear this pretty voice come on the phone. Hi, DOWNBEAT. You know? This is Bitty boy, and Bitty said to tell you something is on the FedEx for you. And let me tell you something. Tiger in a competition that day, the way me happy and jump. And from that is us history after. Everywhere we play, you know. It's no party ever play and we don't play him. From 2000, from them time until now.
Well, it has been placed on record that King of These, Father Ethan, and Human Promotion, Sugar Minot, would have started their sound system using you as their inspiration and influence.
Yeah, man, this is Sugar Minot. Man, Father Ethan, blessed in the way it stand there. Not for 18, but this is Sugar. Me offer Sugar money the first time for double. And him telling me this, so where are the DOWNBEAT? And you make me go build Youth Promotion, you know. Sugar never charged me not even $1 for a double. Of course, you may have more sound out there, more sugar.
More sugar, yeah.
But me, the one who may have them have to stand up strong.
And you not pay for them.
Pay for what? I'm a brethren that.
Yeah. We're going to talk about some of the more popular clashes that you have been involved in down there. I know there was a clash in 90.
Hold on a minute. Sorry, before you go to that, let me give you one history about Sugar. Youth Man Promotion and DOWNBEAT playing.
Oh,
guy
yeah?
me dance. Yeah, in Stardust Ballroom. You hear that joke, you know. I ride a DJ for my sound.
Oh, okay.
And Sugar sing over there now. You know dance, no clash it, but the dance go on. And when I rise start DJ, Sugar by not leave group and promotion, come sing over my way, you know. And Sugar said, don't beat your thing, me a fool. Come flap myself. And I did it to him in a festival, Sierra Nevada in California. Sugar have a stage show. After the stage show, me I play the after party because Rory used to play the Saturday night and me used to play the Friday night.
Oh, okay.
And when he started playing the Glim Sugar, because after the man done the show, me never figure out say the man will come and what thing and go glimpse him. I mean there are time him and see him and enjoy himself over there, you know. And we make a talk. And you know, it was so funny because I never know say, but just pick out some CD and it have about 4 sugar mine at Redeem Planet and 1 mine to carry them. That night, we turned that party like a stage show, you know. When Beat Draw, I introduced Sugar Mine at and Draw him and the man come up there, you know. You're Sugar Mine to me. Well, don't beat. The way you think me could have flapped you, the way you introduced me. You hear me to myself now. The great Sugar Mine that said that to me, the man, and then him turn it, you know, like a stage show. Because when me draw Mr. DC, him going back and come out with him back over him shoulder like him. Oh my God, those things in history. But you want to do that history again too. I'll tell you this, at the same Sierra Nevada festival at different time. And just finish him show. Wow, come over and whisper at me there and me go see him. Oh my God, you don't think me make him come sing? And he said, don't beat it, you could have done this. It's great, man. It's like, we feel good. Never get rich out of the business, but we get it's the knowledge. We get no fight, you know, because what I notice about, I don't know if we really want to say our people, but what I notice in the business, sometimes, I don't know, I think we have this against each other, I think. To me, when we should have more unite, you know, that is my personal feeling. Because no care a man fight him can't take away your ab. Him can't try sabotage you. But him can't take away your ab, Bridget. I'm learn a knowledge will become shared to the world.
Yeah.
Because me have many sound now where I follow my image.
It's true.
Going out there. Many sound. And I feel good. Willie Lindo tell me that Mr. Dad make a mistake. And I don't believe it still, but you know, as a great producer, when him kind of make double album.
Oh, okay.
But I don't feel that way you can feel this business, you know? And man get, but when you hear a tune come on an album, and you hear me play the same tune, it's a completely different mix. And I wanna come off of the authentic tape. I love Mr. Dad like my father. See, you know? The way the man treat me, you know. Me and him sit down and we talk and I say, boy, I love me for everybody. Well, if you go Rotterdam Festival, it's on the notice board. Don't be the ruler favorite song. It's Love Me Forever. And one of the main reasons why I love that song so much is because one night, the first time I go in Brooklyn go play, I used to have a gang named Untouchable, where you used to hear about. And I get panicked and I said, don't be playing, but I don't know about take me dub them or not. So I go the night and I play in a place, you know. Place around the night, you know. And that made me love Me Forever. And when I play that tune that night, it pull up about 4 or 5 times. And when I look, Mr. Teacher, I see a little short man, well dressed in a suit, come over to me, you know. And the man come on to me and the man said to me, say, DJ, he called me DJ. He said, DJ, boy, I have to come over come here because there all night. But you play me tune and my name Carlton the show.
Oh, okay, cool, man.
And the thing about it, when I tell the people it's my favorite, so I would never change. So every time Mr. Dad would talk, Mr. said studio one make so much bad with him because look at the history today. Almost every studio today now, version in Studio One tune from a long time. I was watching a program where you was playing, I think you said 50 of your best songs, something like that, where you love.
Right, I'm the best rhythm, my favorite
your best
rhythms.
rhythm, the way you love, your favorite rhythm.
Yeah, most of them are come from Studio One. The
You know what I
original
did?
version.
You know what I did the other night when Sturgraph was playing Thursday Night Pass? What I did? You see Al Campbell tune where you see heavy sound out of it? One time people say, you want to hear my own.
I never hear that yet.
And when I play it one night on Sturgraph sound, and I couldn't clash Sturgraph even though Daddy Uri is not here.
Right.
But I have to show them the history, say that Daddy Uri never rate me. He wouldn't give me double. And I vice one of the most famous Daddy Uri tune. You know?
Dub?
Pandova with him. Please be true.
Please be true.
Yes, because when Jules Will start DJ Downbeat in 1984, Uri used to play the 45 with the version.
Right.
When I play rubber dub off and don't play it. And Uri said, don't beat me true. Nobody with nobody move. To the screw. Mind no mash up on your finger if you linger. You know, those things are the one of a kind history.
Mad.
It's few times you fill in for Inspector Willie when them come, them call me.
Okay,
to put in
okay.
for Daddy Uri. And we have a dance, a CD, we sell like trouble at the Q Club. Wicked CD with Daddy Uri, Jules Will, Brigadier, Sister Nancy, Low Rankin. Bad.
There was a dance in 1984 where you clash African Love and Papa Moke, I think.
In HQ.
I'm not sure.
That's what I come.
Yeah, that's what we are talking about. That is when them crowd has the biggest. So,
Yes, well, you want to know, that was a rough dance, you know, because the DJ them what was there. Well, a dance, you know, I had to tell Shinehead, say, well then, because Shinehead loved the Billie Jean rhythm. I mean, I correct him on this, because I heard the interview with him, and I correct him on him. I talked to him about it already.
Oh, okay.
And I said to him that something he didn't say, because when, on the interview, what he said, he make it look like when him hear Billie Jean, the night African Love, when him sing it like the first time hear it.
Okay.
But it couldn't be the first time hear it because Downbeat him used to sing it pan. But what happened, when I intend to fight tune, in other words, if you at the cut where African Love have, him probably did the tune for the same way.
Oh, okay.
Because the cut where I have, tell the truth, I don't remember how I get it, to be honest. But the cut where I have was kind of a little bit too rough for recording.
Okay, oh.
You understand what I'm saying? Quality-wise.
You know, mix down properly and stuff.
Right, but you play, and it play, and him sing all and tune them pan it, because him get popular by singing Billie Jean and Downbeat, so.
Right.
You understand? But him love African Love sound, because we never fight that one tune, we never fight it, because if they fight it, they couldn't release it. If you understand what I'm saying.
I understand what you're saying.
You know what I mean? And them things still. So we would have realized it to ourselves, so well, and boy, glad our brethren to and certain things, and you know what I mean? And you know, we just keep it in that way, and we're not going to stop talent.
Right, right.
You know what I mean? Because Shinehead make that tune, you know what I mean? But when him sing it, and not only that, when Shinehead sing that tune upon Downbeat, so him sing 3-4 different vocal upon it, upon the rhythm. But you can't remember everything sometimes. Sometimes certain things might slip you. But it's a lot of history, because that dance that night, we using Macintosh and pay big time amp for I use. African Love and Papa Moke I use true amp. And like Shinehead was telling you, that the current in the place, because the man them won't allow it for run to the main box to get some better from the source, to get some better thing and thing like that. So, me just come from Jamaica the same night. Boy, history. Almost reached at the airport, forgot my passport. And boy, I mean, I tell you, it's a history. But when me come up, we just barely get a seat, get exit, and we'll come up. Anyway, we'll come the night. So one of the man I select, I had told us, so nobody the man know me going to Jamaica, because it was a secret. And Shinehead there would get more them and monitor things. Nobody know. Briggy was there, but everybody thinks Briggy gone. But we keep Briggy quiet, make sure him have everything when him forget, and then at night and things like that. So when we come now, big time selector see me, you know, which I'm a friend. And the man see and say, where you there, man? Everybody I look for you. But me was a Sykes pan him. But I said to him, say, Jamaica, where I come from, you know. Because me know said that I will shake him up. Because that night, You see that night there? And the first people hear them a lick shot in Michael Palmer. And that was only the 45. Because it released at Jamaica the same day when me a leave. So if you not get it there so.
I load of it.
Me I tell you, and it dropped that night there. And then now, African Love did Vice Billie Jean and Shine Head.
Okay.
But him can't play it. Because the reason why him can't play it, because Shine Head a DJ for my sound.
Right.
So everything was a trap. Shiny never knows me Vice half pint on it. So Jammies and Black Scorpio have a dancer, Prison Oval. The night before, when me thank God all know because I said the night, them say, well, look, you come and Jamaica, come get your life. Leave it at that, brethren. Never believe it, but son. Anyway.
You know the story still.
You know the story.
Yeah,
Jesus. But brethren, the night there was just lucky because I pushed the police them back.
Yeah, but no police stick it up.
You understand? And so me all I said to myself, say, what if it wasn't real police? You know? But the father just don't say, I just say go.
So that was a dance where them crown Downbeat as the king of New York.
Right, that was the first time. So half pint was host because they on the stage for the night. And I was running a jammies.
Okay.
And I have some half pint tune them. You know, jammies always give me the money in the bank and all them tune there. But when half pint I come around there and I see him, because that tune never make for half pint for Vice it. It was Madu.
Oh, okay.
That's the history. So when some other guys over saw I said this, Madu used to sing that tune, some of the word panic, the stereophonic sound with General Echo them.
Okay.
Play by Papa Stereo alone from the Western Kingston. And we just add to it. You understand?
Yeah.
We just add to it. Truth. We just add to it. So when I say happen, and I find that don't for me and I say happen to take a dime from me, you know. Because him say was home and him say, all right, you don't want no money. So I still give him $100 and say me I buy a lunch, brethren. From them time that till today, every bad tune I have pint have me have them.
And
I'm a brethren from them.
I want a dream interview that's still in them, so I put it out there.
Yeah, you know?
You know what me yet, so hopefully one of them there.
Yeah.
So some more clashes. There was some famous clash. Well, there's a famous clash with Volcano. I'm not sure where that clash was.
Clash about 3 times. I clashed one night with Gemini in a Biltmore ballroom.
Oh, yeah?
And that night it was so funny that I never know say come out and dance in a Biltmore ballroom. Shine it again. And we have a studio one real rock, you know. We alone at that one day, you know. I saw the foot job going, you know, you know, and things like that. And Shine it start touching come house.
Okay.
And when he look, me see this long man a step through the crowd and come and take the mic from Shine it, you know, like say, you know. I mean, I don't think say that word,
right,
you know
right,
what I mean?
Right.
And about 98 forward man, you know, and things like that. And, you know, from that, he come house, no charge me for tune.
Okay.
Give it through. Yo, let me tell you something.
Don't tell me it. Hold on, man. Hold on. Also, there's a very famous dub for dub clash we do in Metro Media. Play about one good 2 hours of dubs. Man. Where was that dance?
A 4 time in a young cuz.
Yeah, okay.
A 4 time make him pack up, man.
Sky Juice.
Yeah, man, because let me tell you something. I didn't play dub to dub before, but let me tell you something. One thing I like about Sky Juice, him though, him see me and hide. But him not fi hide because him have to realize, say, if a man run a joke with you and you run back a joke with him fi just take it.
Right.
And realize so then as some music business go. But Tony Screw is a man where when me pay my tune, if you say me have this.
Right.
Remember this. Me not tell no lie. I could tell lie from song or nothing. But Jamaica sound get rating every time them come for and I'm going to tell you why them get rated. Sometimes them lose. But I'm going to tell you why them get rated. I don't know if anybody ever think that way there. You see, anyway you're going to the world and you have an audience and you have Jamaican in there and them say the sound come from Jamaica. They won't give them
Forward, yeah, which is true.
You know
which
me, I
is true,
say,
which is
that
true,
way
which
there.
is true.
But you see, if you have bad sound for bad sound, like Downbeat will get some of the biggest forward them in a dance by playing one tune. When I vice knocking at the man's door, when they run so, in price 100 copy for that same week there. Yeah. You ever see a name Randy Valentine?
Randy Valentine. Because I see some dance where Randy a DJ, I sing for the song.
And Dragons, Black Scorpion, and see a Metro Media. And the man buys for 60 at time, couple days.
Feel one different.
Just the way.
Or you cut it.
You know, and I can't really go on and on without him boasting. It's just the truth. The first time the world here a silver tone dub plate. I mean, I talk about the 3 original silver tone because a couple of them die during the years, and enough respect to them. Them keep it going. It's a dance named Show Them Downtown in Brooklyn. Kilimanjaro, Downbeat, Bodyguard, and Saxon.
Big dance that.
When that tune is trying in Brooklyn. You understand? So, me know that. And me can boast about that if they want to see me boasty.
Yeah.
Me are one of the most fierce selector on the land right now. Some of them don't want to admit it. Me hear all man talk about already say, if we don't pay to the school now, just make sure, don't try to get him out, don't make it go down. That way there.
Yeah, because if I tune for tune, then I'm going to have a problem for tune.
Mr. Man cry.
Which is true.
When I play this sound now, when we go a dance name, the rumble dance, the man them never see that yet. Every tune we play in that rumble dance, no sound never do that yet.
Yeah.
Because man I play a regular tune to get
I
forward.
play Ken Park up on dub plate, man.
Right. Well, all right.
It's something a regular, man. You and King Addies would have clashed a few times. Who have the record? Who have the most wins in that toss up there? Because Downbeat and King Addies are two biggest sounds in America.
No, I'm going to tell you something, you know. Me and Addis, you know, really and truly, you know, and it's truth, you know. You don't say most of the time when me and Addis don't really clash.
I don't really clash.
No.
But we don't clash already, man.
We clash already with Danny Trader.
Okay.
With Danny Trader and Downbeat. And yeah, Danny Trader get the thing. Well, that's why I tell you, say, I don't think we and Addis really say clash. Like more than 2 times. Okay. Really.
But the 2 times we don't clash, we win a clash.
All right.
That is not more
one night. I'll tell you this. One night, we are playing Addis. And any man will respect the truth that night there.
Yeah.
And we tear down that clash that night there. Because Addis didn't have Super Cat and thing that night there. And Junior Demus. We have that night there, we have Ricky Stereo, Tonto Metro. The one of them you dead fresh.
Stitchy wasn't on it that night?
Eh?
Stitchy was there that night?
No.
So it just Ricky Stereo and Tanto, okay.
Yeah, Ricky Metro and thing and Wickham on. Like the fresher artists them. And them really they angle the place Wicked and Papa Biggie.
Okay.
Papa Biggie we had that night in a Biltmore ballroom.
And you know, funny enough, when we talk about clash still, I'm not really too interested in that clash them now, where artists clash, to be honest with you. Dub plate clash me I talk about.
No. Well,
so your Addies not really playing a dub plate clash?
The dub plate clash. Well, we and Babyface play an exhibition one night in a Paradise Club.
Okay.
That's a little thing there, a little exhibition.
Right.
Because in one night, we are Addis a play, and the respect was always there, and we are playing an Actree. Actree was a famous club.
Okay.
Italian owned it. And the first time Butch Banton come to America, a freak them bring them.
Okay.
And them just come at the Thursday night dance night for advertisement. So maybe it no matter what the night. I saw me and Butch became brethren because when Butch hear my sound, him said the sound is wicked. And the night them hear my friend Babyface when him come round. But just hear Babyface I say, I hear a man that talk wicked, so I hear me to myself now. At least I show the respect because I think when I say I hear a guy that talk wicked, you know. I think what them you they well respect with to the squad.
Naturally.
Me and Babyface and Bodyguard play in England, and that's also history again. I that studio one day and Nicodemus walk in, and them man they can't say no to me. Because my dream was say, play in England so much time now, my dream come true, because my dream say I must go to England go play one day. So the kid was going to the studio and say, Nicolo, come give me a tune for England. Because I must go to go play one day. And the man just go on the mic and just start say, they play in London. They play in London, they play in London, they play in London. And them start, you know. Don't we come to England to kill jump on. And at night when that tune they drum and I play a gunshot, man.
Yeah,
I tell you.
Yeah.
You know? And then the tune I play, you know, I don't play a band for about 1984.
Oh, yeah?
Can't bring back too much memories. And when I play it the night and Ray and a man lose all his life and Ray. So from that, I don't play it back. And I one of the first man play Urban Hustling. I tell you that.
Pan dub plate?
Yeah, man, pan dub plate. Yeah, man.
Oh, so somebody get that from early.
All right. You see Urban Hustling? No, it's dancehall style with sugar.
Oh, okay.
Dancehall style with sugar. He might tell you who is the artist them who start dancehall is. And him just teach him downbeat. He not do that for nobody else. Highly rated that way there because I think me know a good tune. One of my favorite sound during the years was coming up, you know. It's not really Tubby's, you know, but I love Tubby's sound.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Whosoever want to bash me out there. I Sir George the Atomic.
Oh, okay. I only heard about it.
I selected him Prince Ruff. The man they clean when them a go a dance and as a selector. Me learn them things from all Lord Comic. You know Lord Comic?
Yeah, man, familiar with Lord Comic.
It's one of the early man where do a tune him, Adam and Eve went up Steve and all them little thing there. You see a sound name Top Deck I play a sound name Top Deck I play a sound name Ken Tone have a sound, bad sound, the Pompadour, and all of the sound them in history, in Jamaica history, in that era. It's Studio One selection put them a leader. So that's why we know so the Studio One sound.
Studio One was a dominant studio
yes,
at the time.
Man,
So
at that time, yes, you know, and I mean, Big U, Tippertone. And if we can't tell you Tippertone based on them, as you know, you hear Big Youth make.
S90 Skank?
No, not only S90 style. Hit the road jack.
Okay, yeah, true.
He come off a Studio One tune name West of the Sun, Jack him at all.
Oh, okay. Not familiar with
Big
that.
Youth love that rhythm there, yeah. It's an instrumental tune which is actually a different mix from Love Me Forever.
Oh, okay.
It's like a, you know, drum and wicked tune, man. What's up?
Yeah, I can't be some place now where also don't feel old. Yo.
Yes,
can't do that. But no, we can't do that. So there's some more things. I have heard Jamie say that, you know, the roughest clash him ever have is a clash with Downbeat. I think that was 1985 thereabout.
Yeah, it's true, I'm telling you.
Who win the dance?
All right, you're the dancer, you know. That dance was that trophy dance, right?
Okay.
So, but here, what happened to that dance now? I'm going to tell you the truth. That dance going with maybe a few people maybe might say Jamie's the way the dance wicked, or most people that say I don't beat win the dance. So, but it was that trophy dance, and I'm going to tell you what happened. It's a DJ dance with rhythm. Called Jamie's have Tonto Irie, John Wayne. Right? And somebody else have. And me have the great DJ where every DJ afraid of him.
Papa San.
That's a lot more. You understand? And the first time I hear lyrics about agony. When Papa San said, "Who don't beat his agony," and I mash up place and Danny Dreader sing live. And the dance, you know what I mean? When you're looking at the dancing in the morning, when it feels like a war in the brethren. You know, and that dancer was trouble because that night, me draw one of my anthem, and it's so Jamie's, the friend Jamie's will record that tune out Johnny Osborne. Don't be playing in the ghetto tonight.
Don't play playing in the ghetto tonight.
My anthem that. See, one of my anthem that to Johnny Osborne. And Jamie's tell me, say, when him go back to Jamaica, he will record that tune. And he did it. Ask him about it then if you interview him.
You play with Jammies outside. That's a next story for next time.
You
play Jammies outside of that dance?
Play him again at Bermuda. Him and my friend Scorpio. Scorpio can't tell him about it. When they? Scorpio, mind. I'm a brethren that.
You string them over
Dangerous history of not Bermuda. Yeah, Bermuda. Yeah. The dancer too. The three man keep that dancer, the three promoter. One of them is favorite for Jammies, one favorite for Downbeat, and one favorite for Scorpio. Wicked dance.
You take the dance?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
But you know, we don't really boast about them.
No, me understand, man. But if you win that, look here, man. We're not busy with Jack, and we're not busy with Jammies, man. If you win the dance, you win the dance.
All right, here you go now. Jam is different. Because when I damage close brethren, you know, go up on the radio and say, kill me, you know. And that's the same dance, yeah. And maybe Jammies would adjust it different. Because the night when Jammies play me, you know, Bobby Digital did it with them.
Okay.
And Bobby Digital go up on the radio and say, kill me. Somebody just say, I talk about me kill you, forgot somebody lock on off a crew table. And him say him never did it. But the thing about it that whether I'm dead or not, him couldn't make no difference.
Right.
If I'm my vibes, I'm my vibes.
Dead. Yeah, man.
And I clash really, God bless him soul, Bobby. You know what I'm saying? Bobby come to New York. When someone in them, Eat Wave.
Eat Wave.
You know, say him come to New York and a clash almost come up with me and TP, record shop there, you know. But no, sir, they can't go do them clashing for free.
Okay.
But the day when them a play, some man said, don't meet if you never walk in there. Because they have most Shabba them at that time. But me and him with Shabba, you know, oh my God.
Yeah, what you know though, there's another famous series of clash. Because as far as I know, you and Radigan clash 3 times. I think when you clash first 96 in London, it was Gemini, Radigan, Downbeat. And I think you and Radigan go tune for tune and something happened to the dance there and it did have to reschedule. Then on the clash again 2006, that was the clash that you met in an accident the same night or the night before.
No, 2006.
In a New York, 2006,
the same evening,
right?
Yeah. Same evening.
That is when you were in the car accident.
Yeah.
And you never get no treatment for it and you came to Jamaica the following day, I think.
Yeah, man.
Radigan win that dance, the New York dance.
Yeah, he win. But you know, I tell you something, teacher. You win the dance. You win the dance. Because my selector.
Who was the selector at the time?
A guy named Finger.
Finger.
And Finger never take list, him know everything. And I tell him, say, listen, you know, people like Radigan and Brooklyn and people love Downbeat too, so dance are going to be tough. But when the pressure reach Radigan, he will go for hard man for dead with Prince Buster. And the only thing you probably can do in them time there is maybe draw, maybe carry go bring come. Because Hard Man for Dead was a big tune in Jamaica, but Carry Go Bring Come was a bigger tune. Because Carry Go Bring Come was like campaign tune. And it all banned one at a time. And that would be a good thing for him. But me sick and turn fool in the dance, I never know what to do. Now that dance, just to show you how I love the music. I should go to the dance because I lie to the people because I that bleeding on my brain already at Germany. And when my head that kill me and them carry me go to the hospital, me tell the doctor that himself my back hurt me. Because anyhow me go into the hospital and them give me a CAT scan, the bleeding most likely ever show up. And them that keep them won't let me out. And me go out all the night when them a call for get the ticket. You know what I mean? But we couldn't stand the pressure because with all the lights them on stage where bother me. And then even though I feel me have a good mic stage, you know, control, the pressure start bite me because him play 6 months to kill in a 1 round and I'm still win the round. And him push out him too and go play a bit more clean the 2 way him have. And I kill them too. So every tune him play, the only tune him play the night, but just for the talk this man that one tune him play the night, we never kill it. Because I tell the truth, I forgot. So me have it, the counteraction for it. It's a woman tune him always play. And them dance again, because I don't think nobody will get ready again to clash with Downbeat again.
Oh, you think so?
No, him tell me that. Him tell me that, you know, if you get him to play with me. But it have to be exhibition or something.
Why? A money reason?
I wouldn't say, well, I would say it's money reason, but to me, let me tell you how me stay then. Me no care how bad the sound is. me figure out say, when you don't play, my time come.
Right.
And when my time over, your time come.
Mm-hmm.
And if it come down to the nitty-gritty,
so afraid of the gun, afraid of Downbeat, Father Tony. All right, so hold it there, sir. After the 2006 clash, there was a 2015 clash back in England.
Yeah.
Where you win that.
yes.
So basically a 2-2, 1-1, because the first one there was no winner there.
Right.
So him win the one in New York 2006 and you win the one 2015.
Yeah, because, no, it's not 2015.
Now 2015 you go back to London and go kill him.
Same 2006.
Same 2006?
Yes, 3 months later I recover.
Oh.
I'm go back to England and take it back from him.
Oh.
You understand?
So I don't know why 2015 in my head.
No.
But even when you after the dance when I kill you, you came to Jamaica and went up back, but then you were in hospital, you were in a coma for 2.5 weeks.
Yeah, 2.5 weeks, yeah.
Because you know tell the people them say
Yeah.
your head hurt and them sitting there.
Right.
After
2.5 weeks been in a coma and I came back from that dance after that 3 months later, went back to England. And that's when I took, but I hold up a bias thing tonight, where
But you win that clash there?
Them showed, when the clash clear gone,
right.
clear, because I became play a wrong tune. Yeah, because him play a tune and say, well then, Downbeat, I make this one specially for you. And this was the most dangerous thing in the dance way ever happened. And me I said to myself, which tune? And him said, they'll ride with soon.
But you're not full of that, man.
So when him said they'll ride with soon, me I say, look how long they'll ride with soon there. Unless they make it plan long time.
Oh, so I say no.
And that was one mistake I said Radigan make. And then when him play, supposed to be the Del Ride Wilson. He's a Fred McGregor in play, which is totally wrong tune. To him and introduce tune. I mean, say yes, Rad, them say really want to play Del Ride, but me no want to see Del Ride and try to run upon him. But me and him play after that. All right. Me and him and Black Scorpio and Chamis play.
Big dance, that.
And some little thing go down, then get Chamis a dance, so we know. But anyway, but me and him, I'd rather get that first man drop out.
Okay.
Big league in Hamasuro. And when Scorpio win the first round, sure him is a showman that way there. Me congratulate him. Not because he was my brethren, but me show him respect because he didn't think say me win the first round still. But when the crowd beat the Scorpio, but then just step down on the gas after that. They would have been in trouble. Me play Mighty Diamonds tune. Me show you a thing, Oh, me know say some people can buy us, brethren. Me talk it to them here, If you're a judge for your dance, and me have one more tune to play, you should have tell me, say, me have one more tune to play. You don't wait till when me in at the big lad tune, you tell me some last tune that I play.
Oh, okay.
Because when I play Mighty Diamond tune, I say, don't be that tear off the roof. And that tune, me don't know, Amazon was still there, so. When that tune they try. I mean, at the Ray Darwin, because Ray Darwin just need the Downbeat sound. When me was that's when them people's sides.
Right.
You understand? So the fact about the whole thing now is that if that Ray Darwin tune the draw after the Larry Marshall, after the thing, you mean I said Larry Marshall? The Mighty Diamonds. Because actually why I say Larry Marshall to a miss and say Larry Marshall? Because Larry Marshall is the original vocalist and that with him. A tune named Mean Girl. My heart, my soul.
The song, man.
Yeah, and Channel 1 version. This was Channel 1. Sugar Band had sing it back with Channel 1 now. Because Sugar Band had passed through Channel 1 and here, Channel 1, the Mighty Diamonds own. And boy, I said, Jackson, boy, the man, them like I mean girl, I need a roof over here. And Mr. Dad just said, so I could put a roof over here then, and Sugar Band had sing it too. But you couldn't stop the Mighty Diamonds own.
Yeah.
So Sugar Band did a version of that too.
Yeah. All right. Some other sounds that rose up
Yeah.
after Downbeat in the New York era. Sounds like Fergo Digital.
Yeah.
What other? Minimart High Power. And Terrorists. You clash with all of them zone there?
I never clashed with Minimart High Power, but I clashed with Terrorists, and he play a full water himself that night there.
Okay. So I'm dead?
Dead man. get dead. And even though the dance end up, you have to say, mash up without any violence.
Oh, okay.
But me and them a play. And I don't think them even play dance with them have hour anymore. And then play a few more. What I learned, when you say 2 sound or 3 sound, the audience, the people, what the fans they want to hear all that sound them play. And when the man don't play, he might play the owner and try tell the youth them say, they might try show them how to play me, how dangerous me is. But if you start a selector, and the man there and play, the man must play about 1 hour and 45 minutes and whole build more ballroom ram. And people turn up and look at them like fool. I mean, I said nothing, you know. And then after them done do that now, the promoter where I am, you know, come tell me, say, why the man, them are some of lock off. Some say, what do you mean lock off? So, I say, you want me to lock off? So people balance the money if they want me to lock off. But no, you know, determine me is I know me stay already. Man, just a show a man say, when he bring the money, come give me. I count the money right on the stage. And so people, promoter bring me money, come give me, I know no. But by the way, I tell you something, you know. After I set this thing up for the whole away, man, I come tell them about lock off. And I lead the dance. By the way, I just get the money, I pay my last tune. And play a Johnny Osborne name, Hanging Tree.
Hanging Tree, take them to the Hanging Tree.
And when we say that, I would even say Witty. And Witty, I remind about it. Everybody walk out of the dance. Because it was the fear, you know, and things like that, you know, but, you know, and them say me ignorant, you know, so the whole of them say, them, and they are one of the nicest youth to deal with.
Yes, that's my thought with you. Speaking about that, the name on the birth certificate is Anthony Rookwood, Tony Screw. How you get the name?
Why, they right with the true name, the soul art of mine. I play a party for Rockatown. Where you have a big promoter in New York named Rockatown. When I'm first party, I play one night and 2 little bad boy, a boy named Fisher, what them call him. Yeah. Now if he's a good selector, a man do it for me and get to, you know. I play, me sure the man come lift it up off of the turntable. And I said to him, say, where though? And the man said, I look on the record. I said, my record up here, come lift it up. And immediately they are going, so I just like, give me this. And it started, and 5 minutes, that in 5 minutes, good shot fire in the place.
Oh.
People think say me get shot, unfortunately. And I say to that man. So they all of the man, them say the first, they remember say,
you get so serious.
Me get so serious. Me not play with my things then. So from Dub Wiser to Tony Screw.
Oh, okay.
And from Tony Screw to Goldfinger. That's how the thing just go on.
Yeah, man, you see the pre. All right, so watch out now, fathers. You want me to notice today now. You see, you have so much history that it's kind of easy if you're gone over one history was so, one history was so.
Yes.
So we have a few more
So
questions.
much. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, because you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Zine. So now, based on my knowledge of the sound system thing, I don't know that there's another sound that has depth in dub plate has that downbeat has. Probably a few sounds, you understand? But based on the depths of your box, it's kind of different. List me 5 dubs in the box where just never miss. No matter what, when you play them dub there, dance mash up.
All right. Well, Half Pint, as me tell Half Pint, so they will make it as one of my biggest anthem, because I think why I say Half Pint and I use it really first is when we did 2018 we did an interview with Radigan, and he wanted me and Addis and Bobby Condos and to clash on the radio. And I tell him say now clash on the radio free or nothing like that. And anyway, it look like it don't get out on, and then him say he must stop the clashing, and he asked me if me give my interview for 20 minutes. And I say, yeah, of course I give an interview. So when the interview come up over by Irish Jam Radio, them still convince all of us to play 6 hours, similar question to what you just asked me. So BBC not stop play that song. So, you know what I mean, they wanted picture with Half Pint. I mean, I said they want to go Half Pint for that. But, you know, anyway, so that is one of my from its start drum roll.
Right.
Now,
That's a one. The half pint.
And then the anthem that I have when sound follows is respect due to
Berries.
you Berry Summer. Who tell you that?
Dub. Me know this. Me watch no fire dance. Me no fire.
All right,
True.
and if you notice my respect with Berries, it's on the original Baba Andy rhythm,
Studio one.
which that rhythm never really make for Baba Andy originally.
I think that was made for the Eptones. I think.
No. That it did make for a group named the Amlin.
Oh, the Amlin. Okay.
The true name. Odana. Odana? Say it name? Something like that, Odana.
Okay.
But I had the tune on dub.
Okay.
You know?
Been a surprise.
Yeah.
So we got 2. So we got
Right.
Berries
And,
and half pint.
Okay. I have a dub that I feel is one of, I'm not going to say the group,
Yeah.
because even though a couple of the artists them pass,
Right.
but one of them still alive.
So
And if
Mighty
I
Diamonds.
say the tune, no, not Mighty Diamonds, no. But that tune, you know, you're not sound play that tune that really mean a dance.
Which tune?
It's a Joe White tune. But me know you're not sound play the rhythm in a dance.
Okay.
I'm a young maybe you're play bad rhythm. I may have a Freddie on the rhythm too. I may have a Dennis Brown on the rhythm.
But I Joe White, I won when I miss.
The one. All right, you can't tell you. It's a silver tone.
Silver. Oh, the silver tone double with
Yeah,
tab.
it don't
Okay.
miss. It don't miss.
So we got 3.
It's gone 3.
Yeah.
Boy, the rest of them now, Jesus God, the rest of them now, boy, believe you me. It's so much alternative, so me try them no miss. So, me name I will call on him.
Just Alton. Any Alton you have a problem.
Sugar Minot.
Sugar.
Because me know you're no sound me you're playing no vacants with Sugar Minot, Pandub.
Pandub. Yeah.
Don't bitch wake up it.
There's a Baba Marcia where you have where every time you see you play, you never miss neither still.
Well, I fly from New York. They don't give me credit for it. But me not say, sometimes sound have to hold them pride still.
Yeah.
So I don't really vex about that. But
Yeah.
it's me put that tune up on top, you know. Me make my band start the double.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because when I make the arrangement, because Marcia Griffith, she can tell you, Marcia used to actually come by, her sister used to live in the same building when I just come to America. To either stay with her sister or maybe live there.
Yeah.
And when I know her in the 70s, I know her them time the Afro year. I wear. Baba and they wear Afro style and she wear Afro style. So you know long way I go back. So Marcia, I'm a key friend. You know? And me have a double there ways. Me have 2 double there where I mean classic. And she'll tell you say one of the world, even though sometimes, you know, the artist say one of the world.
And then vice versa.
But the version of me have, if you listen to it, you know, you're nobody else play it still, but you know, it's a dove, not going to call me because someone I'm going to look for it. Let them guess.
You have the most Studio One rhythms, cuts, and dub plates on Studio One rhythms, yeah? And you know and me know, say, one of the things where, apart from the artists that make the dub really and truly hit is the rhythm. Which rhythm is your favorite rhythm for cut dubs on?
Oh my God, it's so much, all right, we can't tell you, it's so much, most of the best dub for cut rhythm is Studio One really.
Yeah, but they have name for all the Tony.
But, why? Good question. Good question, and the question is so hard for me to understand because...
To answer
because, believe you me, there's so much rhythm me have classic. Love Me Forever.
Oh, I love that with you.
It's Love Me Forever is a classic one. Vanity is another classic because I have a Gregory Isaac quality I don't hear nobody play. And also have a tune enough people that hear me play a sluggy ranks ranking Joe.
Okay.
Bad. I mean have the body sluggy them pan over. No doubt about it. And when we start trying to sluggy them, everybody, as a matter of fact, anybody ever hear sluggy sing Marcia Griffith tune him, tell me now.
No, me never hear that.
Well, yeah, I have it all combination, sluggy and lecturer too.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, man.
Billy Slaughter, when me interviewed Billy Slaughter, and before me even said that, see?
Yeah.
The two songs I ever play the cleanest dub plate sound. I say clean, I mean quality, pristine. When you listen to it, like it's Taros from out of England and Downbeat the Ruler.
Yeah.
What you do to your dub plate, them clean so brother?
All right. First of all, especially if it's Studio One, straight from Studio One, tape them originally.
Right.
I'm said that, give me blessing for that. And I don't ramp when I'm going to the studio. If you notice, not for my dub, then you hear all harmony and them.
Right.
Because like I put
You just use the original harmony from the songs?
No.
No? Okay.
No. When I go to Studio One and I bring Glenn Washington there, you know, I advise Glenn. Glenn have done a dub for me for about 8 years now.
Right.
And I still have dub for him where you know, where you probably never hear a sound play them.
I say that, so as it relates to the quality of the dub plates, also here, when I interviewed Billy Slaughter,
Yeah.
Billy Slaughter said the only sound in the world when them play outside of Stone Love is Downbeat because of the depth of the catalogue.
Yeah, but him say one thing wrong upon the
Why
interview
am
there.
wrong? But you watch all the interview with them,
No,
man,
I'm
I
not saying
saw
say
them.
one thing wrong. Him say, him use a Phyllis Dillian and kill Downbeat.
Oh yes, we remember.
You remember?
Yeah, man, I remember
that
that
is
of the show.
totally wrong.
Oh yeah? When
Yes.
you was killer, I never kill her.
That is it. Because I'm going to tell you why I said that.
Yeah?
Me and Stone Up clash actually 3 times. 3 times. Mm-hmm. We clashed the first time and Stone Up clash was in Jamaica at the arena. 1991. Right?
Yeah.
And we clashed again.
Who win the 91 clash?
It never done.
Okay, alright.
It never done.
Yeah.
It was sunlight coming arena. That's the time when Weepo know how dangerous me is.
Okay.
And at that time, it was Weepo, Worry, and Cancer. Right? And then 1991, we clashed again in Nottingham, England.
Okay.
V-Rocket, Stolo, and Downbeat. But actually was playing on V-Rocket sound. And that night again, I felt sick that night.
Okay.
Just the night when I just ready to play. That night I found out that I was diabetic.
Oh, okay.
I found the time I changed my diet instantly when we come back to New York. Because when I have a brethren, I had the same problem. I just feel hot. I start pulling my button. Just before I tell the crowd I feel sick, but like them never believe me, but tear down the dance. Father Weepo, when I never talk to we stand up together on my foot, bounce man. He said to me, say, why don't we just step on my car now? And that's the wrong thing him do. I'm kind of joke it out and tell it out and draw a King Kong pan him and say, don't be step on the sound boy I can and make him yawn. you know?
Yeah,
You know? But me respect all of them, you know, because Soul of plays so much of a birthday party them.
But you tell me about 2 clash and the third clash, you know? Tell me
The
about
third
that.
clash. The third clash is what's the name clash again? Billboard Bar one night of my birthday was playing through into two.
Okay.
Yeah, exhibition. Exhibition clash. But after that, me and Billy Slaughter, Billy Slaughter was there that night, was worried. So we don't know Billy Slaughter come up with that. Saying kill me with Phyllis Dillian.
That the man members of the
Yeah, him saying kill me with Phyllis Dillian.
the land.
Me have a shabba span the rhythm all know. Oh, come on.
I guess we have to look for the dance yourself and we decide who
No,
the dance.
no. Because I tell you something. Most of the dance that Billy Slaughter play with me is my birthday dance.
And so I don't know really.
And in paper my sound. So what really happen, when you go out at Newburgh go play, you welcome the guests. We make him play as long as he want to play. And that is true. Rory too. Make him play As long as our one play.
Yeah, but him say him love the catalog and at a fear sound him with them play outside a store.
Yeah, man, Billy Slaughter enough respect, man. Billy Slaughter asked me 50 song and he said, tomorrow you get it.
And he get it tomorrow.
And then get it tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Apart from your sound, which other sound you love enough where you think say, you know me then did love to play that sound there too. Something about that sound that I like. And me then play that sound there. Outside of Downbeat.
You know what say? I played on a sound one time, I don't remember the name, come from Philadelphia. Can't remember the name, it slipped me. But it's a dance one night with the dance one night with Daddy Uri, Ilawi, the dancer Jalovan, Downbeat, and Jose Wheeler. Sound play wicked man. Solatanic name, yeah.
Solatani? King Atani?
Not King Atani.
Oh, it wasn't a Jamaican sound.
No,
then?
it's a Burka
Okay.
sound. But wicked man, play wicked.
And you like that sound there?
I like that sound. And
Okay.
I tell you, all the years that I've been, I never hear stereograph sound in Jamaica.
Right.
But last week, Thursday, when I play on stereograph sound, I just love it.
I love it. Yeah.
Believe me, I tell you.
Yeah. Which sound you never clash with where you did hope to clash them one at a time?
Guy from Italy,
What them name?
name Article.
No, okay, I'm not familiar with
Yeah,
them.
bad sound.
Bad sound, okay.
Bad sound.
Me not familiar. I forgot to check them out.
You see all the sound where Father down with footstep, we'll give them an opportunity to make them prove themselves.
Okay. Yeah. Which selector sound give Downbeat the most problem down the years? Like, them dance are always challenging. Whether you win or you lose, them challenge you, some challenging dance.
All right, we play a dance with Jar. The first World Clash. Jar win the first World Clash. I don't know if you know that history.
No. Can't say.
It was Jaro. The first World Clash with Irish and Chinkley was 98.
Okay.
The first World Clash was actually in England. I think it's Bodyguard and Saxon and some other sound. I think it was 94, I think. And then there was a World Clash in Canada with Bass Odyssey and a sound named Asheril and Downbeat.
Yeah, I know about that.
Right? And okay. And then the next one now was in 97 in England. That was Downbeat, Gemini, Radigan, and Caxel. That's the one where me and Caxel go down to tune to tune. And
are you on Caxel and you on Radigan?
Me and Radigan go down to tune to tune and them cancel it.
That was a 96 dance.
Yeah, because it come down that me and him supposed to play one tune to decide.
Right.
And when I play my one tune, you know it go, and then Radigan come for the talk and say, him thinks say the dance should keep back a brick stand because the people them overcharge for the drink. And the people them sign a contract and them cut the contract time and you know what a political things to make the excuse upon that. Which that dance, this will show you sometime when you give people power.
Yeah.
Because the woman who they are MC the dance, Radigan play a tune. And the tune was Tony Burbit, which from the Melodians. Radigan had caught the sound boy. And Downbeat play a counteraction for it. And say, you can't catch Downbeat. Radigan come, the woman complained to me and said, nice round Downbeat, but I must have to tell that you play back a tune when Mr. Radigan play.
Right.
So I said, no, I don't play back tune. What you hear a tune play at the same rhythm, but it's a different lyrics. And then Raddy come in and swelling, and I said, no, Raddy, keep out of this, but the judge decide everything at the people them. And if you want, I can play back the tune and prove it to the people them. Because me no play back tune, not in my career where train. So the same, now them young youth where so much of them are play and them keep playing back tune each other, them not think right. Me run the people when them come whisper all in my ears, you know. Because, you know, I mean, to me have too much tune to play back. I mean, you have to just know, say, member. And I don't write tune pan lists. Maybe it's a good idea for some people.
Yeah, but you still not doing it in a father. Father told you still not tell me which sound and which selector gear the roughest challenges them, you know. And that was a question we did ask.
But I tell the truth, I was just about to tell you that, It's, you have to just say, maybe Ricky Trooper can beat me in a 98 clash. But hear about that clash now. Because people afraid for settings for them said by interview. When Jaro never play tune to tune, And the reason for that, he was supposed to play one tune, and I play one tune. But the man, nobody had judge the dance, an idiot. Because them should have said, Ricky Trooper, you have to play downbeat to win downbeat to get the cup. Because Cox get dropped out of the dance. Him get eliminated. And was still on the stage. And when I play one tune and Trooper supposed to play a tune, Cox just interfere and play a tune.
So them drop out of the dance already?
And them drop out of the dance already, but Trim still on the stage.
Okay.
And Trooper get mad and say, F this and Ray.
Okay.
Actually, Trooper was leading the dance a little bit.
Fair enough.
That night. He was leading the dance a little bit because that night, again, you know it go. You feel sick. And the youth them. That's why I have to still play the sound because the youth them, and I have to be there with it certain way.
Come answer that question there.
Yeah, man, and things like that. We have to talk the fairness. It must lead, but so it went decide for tune to tune who going to win the dance. You know what I mean?
Right.
And that's what happened to that dance. So a cup never deliver
Okay.
for that dance. But them say a Trooper win.
Yeah.
That's kind of what them say a Trooper win. You understand? Yeah. So we just leave it at that and never complain.
So Trooper was the person that gave you some rough challenges then, man.
Yeah, I don't mean about nobody else.
Oh, you don't remember nobody else?
You know what I mean? And that was only like one time. But I will speak the truth and tell you this now. And in the future, if you ever member and ask Trooper, he could just tell me that, but he must tell me that. But Trooper say, downbeat is the sound that make Jaro step up.
Okay.
Because the first time me and Trooper play, I never remember that as you say, it's in Cleveland. I tell you the night there. Mr. Jaro and Trooper just sit down and listen to the play. We never did tune a word for nobody.
Okay.
And Trooper said that night there, him just said to Mr. Harper, said, no, sir.
We need to open a game.
You understand? And,
yes.
and that is the truth, I don't feel jolly and go up and read and talk about. My thing about sound business now, that the younger youth them in the business, be glad me do my time out there and can show them. Because someone are going like, them no idol showman before.
Right.
I remember me watch people play music before me.
Play music.
This a guy a select. And it was, we couldn't understand it because the man I play with, it was a left-handed. And I play with a box. And back in the days, a man used to come in like a case. 6 or 8 or one. And the case so big, and then pack out a set of tube on the table and play with him one, and if he want to go in at some more. And when you see the brother play about the tune in the night and I put them in the box back, it kind of puzzled me as a youth. So me just say, maybe it's a good idea, You play it and you put it back where you get it from. You don't wait till you don't play.
Keep it organized, man.
Keep it organized.
Yeah. But so now, is there a selector, whether a clash or just a party, you just enjoy sharing a venue and a stage with a selector? You enjoy in the same space with them a play?
Why? But I don't know if it's a Jawise. But Jawise don't play too much thing. The artists don't me carry strong from the 80s me I carry him.
Yeah.
And any sound I do dub with him do a few double, but he must contact me first. I be man and he no contract or nothing.
Who is that?
Sammy Levi.
Sammy Levi. Okay.
And him bad like trouble.
Yeah. Which artists you have the most dub plates of?
Right now?
Yes. In the catalogue.
Right? I don't know it coming like a Glen Washington I lead it.
Glen Washington.
Yeah.
Is there an artist where you enjoy cutting more than any other, like going to the studio or work with an artist upon a dub plate is a different vibe?
Like working with Luciana.
Lucy?
Yeah. Luciana did my birthday party. And it was so funny. And the tune name It's Me Again, Joe.
Yeah.
I gave him the original rhythm.
Okay.
And I introduced it to him. He picked it up in a second still. But when I tried pan him and he come down and I said, Lucy, that tune I know you never do it that way yet. And him go to like Guyana and him call me and ask me about it.
Yeah.
You know, because I'm on me used to change rhythm and put on my phone as man, you know?
Okay.
And he used to hear all some tune on my phone. And he used to say, can I always put a tune where he always wear. And he always said, don't beat that rhythm there. You know?
Wow,
or a certain tune. Men try.
Right, cutting him and dub. Yeah, just support the clashing a little bit now, because even though a lot of the clashing sounds used to juggle to still.
Yes.
Like, which sound was your favorite juggling sound from yeah, listen sound and a god dance? Like, it's just a bad juggling sound.
All right, I'll tell you, at one time, one of the baddest juggling sound when me see. A freak was a bad.
Bad sound, man. Bad sound.
A freak.
Bad sound for true.
Yeah, man. A freak was a bad. You know, I start all up in the week dance in New York. But one time, a freak was 7 days a week, brethren. I tell you. And, you know, I mean, I know their energy there.
Different.
It was just different, you know. My energy now is like bossing artists, make the artists be known.
Right.
Because I was singing in Brooklyn, you know, where I don't know why I will pass on. Maybe half him, but they don't play him. It's an American guy named J.D. Smooth, you know. You ever hear that name?
Not
Oh my
with that,
God, man. You want to hear that guy sing, man. And when I passed one day and see him on a studio one, that was the greatest pleasure for me. Say, no, me have to have enough tune of them.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's past, him a pass so it's a guy who kind of move like Frankie Paul.
Okay.
And I passed it on studio one back in the time and see. I owe him get to go to studio one. Mr. That wife. Cause him a walk and I sing. And she hear him and stop him. And I saw him get studio one and put out an album with him.
Okay, now check him out, man.
Check him out, man.
I'm not familiar with the name.
J.D. Smooth,
yeah, man. What's your favorite clash sound outside of your sound, though? Like, you then pay your money for go watch a sound, they kill one next sound.
Well, one of my favorite clash shows at all times is Addies, you know.
Addies?
Yeah. You know what I mean? Because, well, I don't know, you know, when Babyface there run Addies,
right,
it was a great vibes to me, you know. And Addies was a sound where I don't know if I true be rate them and them rate me, but so, I rate them.
So does that mean then Babyface would be your favorite clash selector?
Well, is that really clashing now?
No, man, but I know, man. It's not no, but just overall.
Overall.
You have another clash selector where you then pay your money for God dance, go watch, just watch him clash.
You have a youth to say, we love how that youth they play with them in a clash. What that sound the name, man? What's the sound where them name now? What that youth they just...
I don't know the youth name. I don't remember the youth name.
No, yeah, I don't remember him name, but them play for that sound there, Long Island, man.
It's a
New York sound.
Okay.
It's a New York sound.
Yeah.
Bad. You're the youth, bad.
From your list of sounds,
yeah.
Why best, cleanest sounding sound system you ever hear? Like, no sound ever play sweeter than that from your ear sound.
In the world?
In the world.
King Tubby's.
Tubby's? Yeah?
King Tubby's as a true amplifier.
That answer the surprise we do.
You know why I said that too? Tubby's as a... The band them used to have a thing. We all know me no hear no sound of that. Because Because in those days, as you know, it's vinyl.
Right.
So in my way, when them lift up the neatly, you see, you're like, look, you know, yo, let me tell you something. If anybody in my time or hear this interview and hear me say King Tubby's, brethren, and King Tubby's never stay him dance yet.
And just go and set up his sound.
He just took the sound and gone.
True.
Let me tell you something.
So we here for true.
Tubby's bringing echo and sound, you know. So, like me tell you, when the man talk, you know, my parents placed him student union.
Oh, you tell me story.
Jamaica student union.
Yeah.
And remember, you know, student union is a place to pay back.
Right.
The police are not can go stop dancing there, so. Because I pay a big band, Byron Lee and all them band they playing there, you know. And when you hear the great King Tubby's play, you have some sound, you know. But you want to play a sound him stereo from Spain Town, you know.
Okay.
But stereo, you saw Tubby's tune of him sound that him play.
Sweet.
Him always started by Marley tune, so just say. And sometimes when you want to play it, you know, you don't want to hear him put in the bass.
Does it affect that?
No, man, Tubby's one of the greatest sound me hear.
We believe you, man. We never hear it.
You know, I mean, a man might say downbeat, we're talking about modern times.
But if I sweet the sound at the ear,
You know, because, all right, I'll tell you, when night, I go away, right? I'm here stone of a player. I'm just say, yes, man, nice.
Sound sweet.
You know, you hear the woof of them a waffle. It just sounds, me tell you, say, me sorry, me don't carry some tune, you know, but me never know, you know, me just go around there and the way people greet me and certain and say, see the man there with the wall away, you know, Ray. And me say, boy, I can't imagine hearing my dub them, you know. No, me I tell you, the man sound, boy,
it's full of place, sweet for true still.
Yeah, oh my God, man. A lot of people don't know. You don't make a woof for them waffle, man. You don't feel the smell.
Bass clean, man.
Yes.
And we don't want a nasty bass, man.
Yes, man. But King Tubby's brethren. And remember we're talking about
A long time that.
KT88.
Yeah, man, long time.
You understand? Tubby's, the man have a thing in him. They don't see, oh, Tubby's a great brethren. Let's put it this way. You don't see, after a while, Tubby's as an engineer. Almost every man used to go at Tubby's to go do them thing, you know. I mean, Tubby's don't have a studio where a band where you lay in him, just mix. But the tune might make a original, it might make a channel one. And a man can't make Tubby's go mix it.
So true.
So, when Tubby's go away, and I want to tell you something too. You know, we'd have a great sound too. The same King Jamming say, no.
Jamming sounded sweet too.
Wow. Because enough man, no, that I tell them say, me learn the history by hearing them sound there coming up. You know, coming up and me learn half of them tune there, hear, you know, I remember, me have the brains to remember them tune the first time hear all I Can Tide with Ken Parker. And him go back and tell you, say, when we talk about that now, when me a Radigan play and Ken Parker try, you know, me have a teacher friend, real teacher brethren. The man love rubber dub. And but they don't go dance that much of foreign. Okay. And them come by dance tonight and when Radigan play, we was playing tune to tune. And when Radigan play Welcome to Jamrock in a tune to tune. Here's somebody with a band that tune there. Because one time gone, you couldn't play BTA tune in a tune to tune.
Sing it, right.
You know what I mean? And everybody knows that was a big tune in Marley sound. So it's automatically forward.
True.
So I remember the night, even though I was sick, you know, and dead, you know, because your God love me now. You see, I mean, dead, that dance there, even another dance here after them, it'll make New York Times front page or something, because everybody that say, Radigan kill. Downbeat. Yeah, because even one time I bring Luciana up for my birthday. I'm going to health shop. Me and my wife and a guy come out of the store while we are going. And the man just look at me and said, Downbeat for Radigan kill you and recover your tea. So So, me never go for say something to him, but me just turn to him and say, they don't feel like if you ask me how I feel, you'd feel better.
Yeah.
And then him turn around to me and say, I joke. Me and like, but me just slow him still.
You are one of the men who have almost every artist in the world upon dub plate. I have listened many dance, many clash, many juggling. I have never heard you play a tenor saw dub plate.
I don't have a tenor saw. And I maybe could have beat myself for that, and I don't afraid to talk. And the reason for that is because I asked tenor saw about 3 times about dub. And the last time I asked him about dub, him said, "No, no dub argument."
Oh.
But I was very foolish because I could have easily well probably get Sugar Miner to price him for me.
Right, gosh.
And even when I was playing the sound named Melatonin and them go to Jamaica and do all dub with him and Nitty-Gritty, me don't know why that happened. But when he came to New York, I think it was 86. But guess what happened now? It bothered my brain sometime, you know. Because I was promoting my birthday dance and I was in Brooklyn. Me and three other youth, and with that promo, I never carry no rhythm with me. Because usually me some man, when me I go out, me carry a couple things with 2 rhythm.
Right.
And St. John plays today in Brooklyn. I'm look at tenor saw and see. And look at the cold weather I have him down. You know, and him look at the way, you know,
Okay,
lips and wiped. If he would make me $20 or something like that, would I give him? And I lie. Anyway, he said to me, "Say, I said downbeat. Baby, that's the time me should have just stop with me I do and just go take with the man or so I just say nothing, I just keep walking. Because I work still with the youth them. And the next week me same day then.
Drop out.
So it could be possible that me probably maybe
would I have some of my last
maybe one of the last sound man probably would have seen because all tenor saw in Brooklyn. Maybe artists might get couple double them, but me not think no other sound man get no double tenor saw. And the only other man them will get him is we get him before from Jamaica, like Emperor. Because you know say a Jawa is vice him for Emperor. So it kind of was when we look into it, you know.
Yeah.
And from that, me just say me not carry no feelings to no artists. Of them baby.
Just buy some dub plate, man, and have them already. You don't have them and you can't take them back, you know.
Brethren.
Let me ask you a question, though. Zane?
But that's the show, you know. You know, tenor saw is powerful that way. Them say one of the best reggae artists about Japan.
A big artist, man.
It's something about Tim Pice. You know, I have a youth one night.
Man.
You have a club in the Bronx, you know, teacher. And believe you me, every time I see that youth, them I say tenor saw rise, you know, the youth look like tenor saw. Me I tell you, my brother, I can't me.
Yeah.
Because me I say, wait, tenor saw rise again. You know?
Yeah.
But me I tell you, the man, you can't imagine.
Yeah.
Hey, the man about children, me love them African princess. You know that tune, eh?
I don't know what that's a tune, man.
Very someone favorite rhythm.
Yeah.
Still the one rhythm.
Father Keith started playing bass at this, eventually him step back. Zane, same thing with Father Metro. Father Jimmy used to play it. Same thing with Stone Love with Wee Pow. How is it that, or why, let me not say how, why is it that down the years we haven't seen another selector emerge around Downbeat? Like, you are the face and the name and the voice behind Downbeat. Was there any time that you feel like you didn't want to bring somebody through and it never happened, or you just decide, say, you go run off his own?
No. I think about it many times and I do try. But what I realize, the youth them what I'm trying with, them have something else in mind. And I figure it out and I look upon it and I say, well then, even if a man come around the sauna, it's not for 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year, or 4 year, but them come forget because I bring a man to California because of the respect. And when him come and I introduce him as a downbeat youth, and when him go up there and play the sound and I feel name and I never feel no way. But what he does, him let out the secret and tell a man, know me good, say, boy, I'm just so go around Downbeat for a year, because him know have connection and him know people to get the ideas. So me have it in myself. Me have a youth around me now where Even though from New York now, but I love freely that you there probably get my sound to play.
Oh, okay,
Kind
because,
good, you know.
because you're one of the
Joseph Dimension.
Okay, I'm familiar with the name. But watch, because one of the things, you know, Father Tony, you know, all of us are mortal beings, and there's going to come a time when Father Tony can't really play the song.
Yeah, man.
So what is there in terms of succession plan? Because in fairness, and as me I say, Radigan and probably a few other people can really and truly, when you mention dub catalog, really, you mention in the same breath with Downbeat.
Yeah.
So when Father Tony School can't play the song no more, what is going to happen to that catalog?
Well, okay, very good. I hope that we will solve that before, hopefully with the help of the Father, before it reaches that terms, because I have it in mind, and you know, because you know, even though I come down here now in Jamaica, and we have a youth where up in New York we have a vibes, you know, where, you know, a youth, and I don't really know where I think, because I trust another youth. You know, you see, out of all of the youth, them, him is the only one where I get X amount of tune on laptop to play.
Right.
You know, and I hear nothing from him or nothing. And there's so much youth out there that I would like to play. Enough youth to bring back my sound, you know. I have all youth name Livy and live it up. We just give them the name and put them, and they have a wicked vibes. The teacher them get the youth them. Years ago, they're shiny, they really interested that way. They never know that way. They know him love the music, but for so well and why, would I really say well and why Shiny complete the sound. Even though him get older, but Shiny get older, but him still have the vibes.
Yeah, I'm still a play film sound. So.
And now Shiny will him sound just like Downbeat. You know? And it's a youth where we share enough things.
And you know the music,
and
man.
yes, you know the music because you see, he used to carry the record box. And sometimes he will get one and two exclusively, you know. Like if you hear me talk on an interview, then you know we talk about them say enough to share.
Yeah.
You know, that's true there. And some guys I go search and them can't find out. Right. But very good question, teacher, because it's something I think about, you know, but you know, it's something that, you know, I go through a surgery, they do a hip surgery and thing, and
I understand that, you know.
And we look upon it and I said to myself, so then, but you see when I play, I coming like me not feel no pain, you know. Yeah, it's coming like me not feel no pain, because guess what, you know, the love of me feel will build up in my heart against it, you know. For the music where, me love it, and my friend them, where the real friend them, will support me. I don't really think me have nothing else to prove.
Yeah, I understand that.
So if a man have me out there now, so if we get a youth now, where really I show me the thing, because everything is there, you know, because me have the 90s collection, because even when, you know, we have 15 artists or 20 artists might at the same time in the 90s. And I like now when you can pick out 6. If you remember the 90s.
Yeah, man.
That's why sometimes we would say the best at the juggling is 90s. You know what I mean? Because everybody I make tune and I eat food.
My ear that.
Me have the whole of the tune them. See me used to buy them. 12 tune per one rhythm, you know?
Yeah.
13 tune per one rhythm or whatever it is, me used to buy them just to keep the thing.
Yeah, but and the reason why I ask this, because as a man like me will love the music, Zane, I have seen many big songs rise up and disappear. You understand? And the catalog that you have amassed, it would be, you know what I mean? It would be sad for that to really pass with Father Tony School.
Yeah.
You understand? So it would be, for me, it would be nice for somebody to be there. As I said, none will live forever. And Father Tony School is a big man.
Yes.
And there will come a time when somebody else will probably have to take over. So it would be nice for the son to be passed on to good hands. Somebody will love the music and appreciate what you would have built and keep the thing going.
Yes.
So 20 more years down the road, we can have one dance with Downbeat and mash up the dance same way.
All right. You know, last night I admire this brethren as a key brethren. Black Scorpio. Because I seen at the years when man come and man go, and him pick up him sound, and if him never pick it up, him sound would have like fall down or fall out then. And as a bigger man, and bring it to where it is, and him always attack, because him last night him introduced me to two youth, and as a man who always try that way there, and a certain thing. I think the same way, you know, Richard,
Right.
because if you hear some man say, during the years, the amount of youth that come through downbeat hands. So I lie, them I lie. The only problem that people just used to me. So me have youth, because me see no more time make them play, you know.
Right.
You understand? Because me have two youth, Van and Joseph. All them have to do is show me the seriousness there. It can work. And I say it can work. And I say it because they play a dance me and them, and me just strong and loud them and see them. Because when they with me and Saxon and basically the player. And them alone play. You know what I mean? With the class, you know what I mean? And you don't know people that, you know, I said this, but you them bad and them
But
like
them have to learn too. Them have to make them.
Them have to
learn and learn from for them own mistakes
But
as well.
and them you they can't play the sound because them you they have a depth of the music.
Yeah.
You know, and cause them you that pay foundation and play in pan radio. You understand? And Downbeat it just want it to be different. And me hope if we get a youth, like you say, we can be really understand the footstep.
I love the thing, man. Father Tony,
Yeah.
you pray now. Like, I know I can't stay for the whole day and just history a real laugh,
All
real
that
laugh.
next week night,
You understand? But you know what thing go. See it? I really and truly realize how much the man is in love with the music still.
Yes, man.
You understand? I just long as I listen to you and see one next piece of history come and one piece and you're gone.
I just set a fly. It's too much, you know? Yeah.
Overload, man.
Yes, man,
But
overload.
I appreciate the fact
Yeah.
that I can sit down and pick a man brain where would have, you know what I mean, been in the business for over 50 years playing a sound system. Because the sound was launched in 1972 officially. And we are now almost in 2025.
Are you just talking about in New York City?
Just New York City.
Because from me, I look at youth, you know, from go to school and square dance, you know, square dance and
Yeah,
all
man.
them things, garden party and all them little things.
Yeah, man, but-
So, it's a thing in the blood, you know? And, me have people, you know, suppose me tell you something.
No, don't tell me what you said.
No, it's a woman, you know.
Yeah, go ahead, tell me quick.
It's a woman tell me
Yeah.
to get in touch with you for the interview.
Oh, yeah?
And
Oh,
few
that's
and few
important.
other people too, you know. So,
Yeah.
you know, it's
China
just...
they link me forward on our time too.
Eh?
China they link me forward on our time too.
Yes, and let me link you, yeah.
But I remember some of the link around our part runs and then we lose contact and all of them. But I write there though, man.
My history no ending.
Right, so that me I say now, so watch it. So right now we are treat this as part one.
Yes, man.
All right,
Yes, man.
boss. See it?
All right.
So give thanks for the reason, give
Yes,
thanks for
man.
the history, and most importantly, Father Tony, man, what you have done for the music, Zane, because you have helped a lot of artists to come through. You bust a whole heap of songs so man can eat food, and you also help other sound to acquire dub. So I know a lot of the things that you do behind the scenes.
Yes, man.
And what you have done with the music down the years. You say you don't get rich out of the music, but at least me know say you probably can take care of your family.
Yes, man.
And we give thanks to that. You understand?
Yes, man, and
We
give
also
thanks.
hope say you find somebody with the passion and the drive and an understanding of the importance of a downbeat in the space will continue on the legacy, brother.
Yeah, man.
See? And before me go, let me ask you though.
Yeah, man.
You have any children?
Yeah, two youth.
Two youth.
Yeah, man,
So
me have
then the
two.
man in love his son.
Oh, so them a book work, them and
Book work,
them
what
thing,
are they,
yeah.
man?
But you
I
know,
see
you
you
can't
see, we have
for
father
you have two
Jack
youth, yeah, man,
since-
you know,
since
and them
there.
thing, and you can't really fight them.
Yes, I saw
you know, and
since
them
they don't
things
love
is
it, they
still,
don't
you know,
love it
but
still, Why?
well,
You're born in a yard
if
with
you don't
son,
mind,
you
I
love
can
son,
close
yeah,
it
so,
off.
yeah. For the promoters them out there, we don't know how to find you, we don't love to find you. Or the young youth them we are selected with them probably want to come see if they can play so. How them find you?
yeah, man, them can find me from Facebook, Downbeat Sound Differently, and me out there too, and the world know me as my phone number. Me have a phone number here now.
Run it, man.
About 30. The phone number that we have a 914, New York number, same way. 837-6725. We have that number about 30 of the years.
Run it
so-
again, 917
No, 914.
914
837 6725. And I have an Atlanta number. Yeah, 470-478-4531. Or, you know what I mean, them can just link me up and, you know, and no say I mean any question, can me answer them every day.
Yeah, what?
By the thing, you know, and them thing. I big up, you know, enough of the youth, them, Stir 5 and them youth, they honor to them. And all them thing. Honor to my brother, Papa Rock, the Rookwood family. You know, he's a sister Brenda and wife, Black Scorpio family, them, cause no people don't know some of the history, you know. Black Scorpio wife married to one of my brother. Black Scorpio wife's sister. Black Scorpio wife's sister, married to one of my brother.
Right.
That's so.
Black Scorpio wife.
Black Scorpio wife's sister, that's what I'm saying?
No, man, but all right.
Yeah, man, no respect to the crew and no respect to the world. All the youth them in the world, and I want to set up a special honor to cheer in Japan, romantic in Japan, and big up Sister Joan, up Colleen in New York, where we family, and them thing, they big up Son, Gitmo, Cisco. Them youth don't leave me alone, man, every day. She's the one who bring me down here for her 60th birthday and 30 years living in Jamaica. Enough respect, and boy, thanks to the people who hear some solid tune. Couple nights, you know. And you know it go. And enough respect, teacher.
Is that jive, man? No, man, it's a jive for me, man, brother. I love sound system culture.
Yeah, man, it's honor to your crew.
As me I tell Father Scorpio, say, I should born as one of our son.
You know,
keep the soul
when I see you start do this thing and I see it the first time, I always try to tune into it because I learn a lot of things and I love it, you know. And you give the person we interview opportunity for us
share them story.
Yeah, man. And that is the most I love about it, because some people think you can share the story in 15 minutes.
Right.
No way it can happen.
It can't happen.
You know? So bless up to the world. New York knows so well then. Them know say, and the Atlanta crew, the Mellow crew, them, you know, Empress, why Souls people, you know, Ja Prince, what I'm with them, Joseph Dimension, Banal Star. You see all them youth them, when I mention David and one of them is a part of Downbeat Selector.
Oh, okay.
We don't know, and things like that, you know, and condolence to a good friend, Nada Ranks, family and things, you know.
True.
And large up for the, as I'm going to leave large up, my oldest sister in Jamaica, where I want it down. Sister Maria and the crew, them. We didn't tell us I do that interview here, but bless you all here. All right, Colleen Weber and the crew. Never forget to me.
Father Tony.
Bless up, my brethren.
Big up yourself in a great man.
More love, my brethren.
We appreciate the things that you have done
man.
with the music, for the music, and to the music down
yes,
here.
My brethren.
Go and do the thing. And as I say, Downbeat should not die with Tony's crew.
True.
All right, sir.
True. All right, my brethren.
Yeah, man.
We'll keep it flowing.
Yes, man.